May I please do it?
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 43, Lordship, the bail hearing. Assuming this matter, Lordship, the respondent filed two affidavit, Lordship, objections. I have to file reply, Lordship. The complainant filed two.
In item number 23,
43.
43.
It will come up after 2 weeks, Lord.
I will have to return back the paper.
43, someone had appeared.
Yeah.
Oh, your name is not reflected in the cause list, in fact,
He can file objection.
objection already filed. Your good name?
AU1.
43, huh? Mr. A.U. Ahmed, Dilani counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. P. Botaku, Dilani additional BP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Ahmed that the respondent number 2 oblique informant has already represented by the Dilani counsel, and they have already filed their written objection, and hence he needs some time to file a reply to that reply. Otherwise, here you have received
My
the-
lord, in a bail matter, once objection file again, my lord, time allowed, long time allowed for filing reply. It will cause long delay in disposing of the.
Yes,
And
obviously.
there is no such provision once objection and thereafter.
But some basically-
Actually, there is no such provision.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, there is no such provision.
Anyway, madam,
You can reply verbally. Okay, then even
Yes.
next date, if you don't, if
I
you
will-
cannot file any written reply, then obviously it will be hard, your oral submission
Yes.
will be recorded.
Yes.
Otherwise, what is the position? Have you
the
received
peti-
the case
received
diary here?
Petitioner is in interim, my lord. Then, my lord.
Return back the case diary then.
Yes, ma'am, I will return back.
Very keenly call, so and so. Prayer allowed, CDB returned, calling updated one. Interim be extended till next date of listing, list accordingly. Yes, when it can be?
8 of August.
No. Yes, Botakur, when it can be? 8 of August. 8
Then,
of,
my lord, then, my lord, updated CD then after 15th.
oh, yeah, updated one will be called for then, so
Okay.
I don't think it will be
Yes, on,
proper.
yes, on 21st of August.
21st. 21st of August.
I beg to mention item number 37, my lord.
Yes,
Item 37, my lord.
item 37,
It's a
yes.
bail application, my lord. In the same PS case, another bail application is pending on 25th of this month, my lord. This matter will be taken up with that matter, my lord. Is that correct?
25th of this month.
No. Item 37.
Otherwise, here we have received the case diary.
Yes, it is. My lord, there is a connect.
Is what is the number?
Number is AB number 1580.
AB,
AB
AB
1580
1580
public 2025. Along with that matter, my lord.
at a request made by the London Council for the petitioner. Let the matter be listed along with AB 1580 2025.
25.
CDB written till next date of listing.
25.
25th of this
25th of July.
list on 25/7.
Hello, sir.
Item number 40. CD not received. Are you on interim then? You are on interim. CD not received, issue reminder. Interim be extended till next date of listing, list accordingly. Yes,
On 27/8.
27/8.
Oh,
Okay.
best.
49.
I need some.
This is an I in
Yes.
BA
This is
number.
from-
Yes,
This for the respondent, my lord. I need some time, my lord.
you are for the respondent.
I need 1 week time to go through the record, my lord. That has received, my lord, today.
Record has already
Yes,
received.
yes. Today we have received the.
So why this I is for?
Cancellation of bill.
Pardon?
Cancellation of.
Cancellation of bill.
Long back they had.
So
granted bail, my lord.
state is the respondent here. With the consent of the respondent. with the consent of the respondent side, Mr. D. Bora, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, paid for an adjournment. Prayer allowed, list the matter accordingly after 1 week. We're not going to fix any date here. 1 week as a date to be fixed by the registry.
Obviously.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 31 may be adjourned for the day.
31. Yes, this is the scan copy you have received here, no? At a request made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned. List after 2 weeks will do, list after 2 weeks. As on a date to be fixed by the registry. Oh, your petition here, it is a charge sheeted case, I think.
I beg to mention an IA for listing. It is an IA for suspension of sentence. We had filed an IA before, it was rejected by this very court. So we, if preferable, may be taken up on 24th of this month. 24th.
24th of this month?
Yes, my lord. Day after tomorrow.
No, not at all possible.
My
It
lord,
will be after first week of August will go.
my lord, then 1st of August.
Oh, not first of August. 4, 5, 6, 7 is already full, na, I think. I thought I will 5 or দিব পাৰে নেকি? পাৰিব। 5th of August. পেনটো অলপমান কমাই দিয়ক ন, পেনটো। মূৰৰ ওপৰতে পৰেতো।
Supplementary clause list for withdrawal item number CPO.
May I please, Your Lordship? I pray to withdraw the case, Your Lordship.
Withdraw this one. You, Mr. L. Hangjo.
Yes, ma'am.
Pardon, Mr. L. Hangjo, the learned counsel for the petitioner. With, as per instructions of his client, he wants to withdraw the same. Prayer allowed, disposed of accordingly, disposed of on withdrawal. Okay, it will be disposed of on withdrawal.
Much obliged.
Release. Motion, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? This matter can be fixed on 30th of this month because other bail application connected to the same case diary is fixed on the.
What is the number? Other number?
Yes, the other one is AB 1602.
AB
1602
1602
of 24.
25. List the matter accordingly, along with AB 1602 2025. No, I believe CDB call for. List the matter along with AB 1602 only 2025. When it was fixed? 30. 30. Okay. এইটো নকমালে নেকি ফোনটো? এইটো বন্ধ কৰি দিওঁ নহলে, ইচি চলি আছেতো।
Item number 2.
May I please, Lord?
Yes,
483 application, Lordship.
yes.
Lordship, the cost title, there are certain mistakes I have done here, right? The cost title, that's this full PS 470. The sections typically erode here.
মানে you have mentioned as
476, this full 470, so it should be 470.
so you have corrected through handwritten correction. This is not allowed nowadays. How you have corrected?
Not a corrected here, no?
You have corrected here.
Or-
Your now your number is what is 470
470,
470.
yes.
So all have been corrected. Who corrected these things?
During filing, maybe they corrected.
Who?
My,
You are now saying that there are some mistakes.
my associate while filing may be corrected, you know?
How?
the
But
copy-
the registry is not allowing now.
The copy that I have got, that is, that was mistake there. I may be allowed to check out once here.
No, here, if your correct number is 470, here 470 is there
Then-
by handwritten correction. No, handwritten correction is there. Change the cost title.
Okay.
Heard Mr. R. Chetri, Deelanid counsel for the petition. And also heard MS Andas, Deelanid additional BP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Considering the submission made by Mr. Chetri, the cost title of the petition may accordingly be amended. When it will be filed?
We will file it.
Today you're going to file. Okay, you file, then only it will be said.
Okay.
List accordingly.
Item number 3.
May I please, Lord?
Yes.
Your Lordship, I am behind the bar for 49 days, Your Lordship.
How many days? 49.
49 days. Your Lordship.
Yes.
FI is page number 13. please.
Hmm.
May I read you? Most situated state that extended night at about 11:30 p.m. While I was returning from my fast food shop with my Royal Enfield bike bearing number so and so, entered into a grocery shop to purchase rice, dal, and so and so. I entered the grocery store taking my helmet. At the time, three persons standing there called me from the shop. They asked me to open my helmet and started punching me. They beat me with the basket of Ruby milk. I ran to the shop. They asked the shopkeeper to send me out for, nor they will set fire on the shop. So the shopkeeper asked me to go out, nor they will set fire on the shop. Having no option, I came out from the shop. They took 2 kg weight to hit me. They took out the petrol from the bike to burn me. I ran to the burn my bike. They tried to kill me without any reason. I mean, so there's page number 22 here.
The bike is already been,
Burn. That is
But-
someone else bike who is not yet to be arrested. I was standing there, or when I was going on the footpath, I saw that a boy taking out some petrol here. And then I tried to record that. Yes, I made an accident, road traffic accident, and I was seriously injured, having various.
no, you are injured and you are taking photographs.
No, I was on the way. I could not have altercation with any other boy there. So I was going towards my road, towards my home. At that time, I saw a boy, someone unknown boy, taking out petrol from someone's bike. And at that time, I stand up there, and then I was recording that video, trying to record that video. At that time, the other boy, they had fight between them, and then later on, police called me to the PS, and then I was arrested. Page number 22 is my medical documents here. That I was road traffic accident. There I made road traffic accident, and I was severely injured in that accident, and I could not. My body could not have fought with any other.
So you should go your own home and take rest or hospital,
I
but
was
instead of going there, you are videograph all the.
I was
What
on
is this?
the way to my home. On that day,
No, you are injured. So what was the urgency that you should be, you have videographed all the incident?
I was on the way.
Yes, you were on the way, you were got injured, you sustained
I saw
injury.
this untold that
Then why you were going? Why you have
I was there
videographed it?
called by my friend for a dinner, and
So
then
you are changing the, once you are saying that you have got the,
it's not.
you
this-
met with an accident, you got injured. Then you are saying that you
The
videographed
paragraph-
the entire incident.
Paragraph 6, I have
This is
stated
the-
here.
Anyway,
Lordship from Dispur PS shortage may be.
short date, yes.
I'm still under treatment here, okay? My medical report may also be called from there.
When it can be, we have both cases at least. 30 হলে কি হবে পারিব? 30, he is saying at best 30. This is the last on 30, but thereafter we cannot. Anyway, 30, we are listing it on 30. Along with medical report?
Medically,
Medical report of this one.
yes.
Whose medical report?
The accused, present accused. He is still under treatment.
দুইটা করে দিও medical report of the CDB call for along with the medical report of the victim as well as the present accused petitioner who is stated to be under treatment in the jail hospital. Oh, 30.
In this case, Lordship, scan copies may be required.
Pardon?
Scan copies may be called for, Lordship. PCR, Lordship.
Scan copy of TCR. Yes, scan copy of TCR may be called for. Likho, scan copy of the TCR be called for. Registry will do the needful. I don't know, scan copy. Maybe 4th, 5th, 6th কিবা পাৰিব নেকি? 8. He's saying at best 8. 8.
Highly
Wait, this is a lordship.
Yes.
My 483 application, and I'm behind the bar for last 2 years, 4 months, my lord. And trial is proceeding. So at this stage, my prayer before the lordship is to call for the trial book records, my lord. And thereafter, lordship. may-
Why this one is before this court?
My earlier lordship has rejected, my lord.
Rejected?
Yes, my lord, earlier she was rejected. But this matter is pending before the additional district and session judge Kamrup 2 Metro, my lord.
Metro.
Yes.
Scan copy of the TCR be called for. Registry will do the needful. Last one to we have gave on 8. But
If possible, 6th or any other date, my lord. Convenient to this court, my lord. So just,
okay, we'll try on 6th.
6th, my lord. Deep to you.
Item 6.
May it please your lordship. I hear petitioner was arrested, my lord, on 28/6, my lord. Page 8 is the FIR. Whatever, it was a love affair, my lord, between a 21, 22 years old girl, my lord, and 23 years old boy. Boy is 23, my lord. Page 8 is the FIR. May I read, my lord? With due respect, I beg to state that the FIR named accused person loves me from last 5 years. And I also love the accused person. The accused person, by promising to marry me, by luring me, has made physical relation with me several times. When I told him to marry me, he refused, and that's why we had a disagreement. On last 27/6/25 at around 1 AM, the accused person entered my bedroom through the window and tried to make physical relation with me forcefully against my will. When I raised hue and cry, the neighbors came and apprehended the accused person red-handed. Actually, my lord, there was a love affair between both of them, my lord. The boy is also 23 years old, boy, girl, 25 days in custody, my lord. I pray, my lord, further custody may not be required, my lord, because it was an attempted allegation, my lord. Actually, what happened, my lord, I have categorically stated, my lord, they had a love affair since long, my lord. So on that day, there was some altercation, my lord, and the informal, my lord, paragraph 4, my lord, page 4, I have stated, my lord. They had a CS categorically stated they had a relationship since more than 5 years, my lord. So my lord, further custody, my lord, keeping a boy, my lord, for 25 days in custody, my lord, he has learned sufficient lesson. Further custody may not be required, your lordship.
Lordship, city lordship.
The CD, my lord, same thing will come under it, because my lord, he has stated it was he entered, my lord, attempted to rape her, my lord, and neighbors came and apprehended. Actually, my lord, there was some
Tried
altercation.
physical relation forcefully, lordship.
Tried, my lord. Tried to make physical relation forceful. Paragraph 4, my lord.
There is love affair was there, lordship.
Love affair was,
So admitted, I think.
yes, ma'am. Love affair was there. See, both of them were very young when they were the love affair, my lord. He is only 23, my lord.
Had Mr. SM Abdullah picked it and counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. KMS Anders still an additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Abdullah that the present accused petitioner is only 23-year-old boy and the girl is of 21 years. And it is a fact that they had love affairs since long, which also reflected in the FIR. Out of love affairs, there may be some physical relationship which was consensual, and as per allegation on 27/06/2025, there was an attempt to have physical relationship with the girl forcibly. But apart from that allegation, there is no other allegation of any rape on the victim. Further, he submitted that the accused is in custody since last 25 days, and considering his length of detention, he may be released on bail. However, he will cooperate with the IO in further investigation of this case if he is granted with the privilege of bail. MS Das still an additional BP submitted in this regard that there was a forcible the accused tried to have a sexual relationship with the victim forcibly, and hence she insisted to call for the case diary. However, she submitted that there was a love affair between the accused and the victim, which is reflected in the FIR also. Next para, considering the submission made by Lani Council for both sides, statement made in the FIR, and the other aspects of the case, I find that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation, and accordingly find it a fit case to extend the privilege of bail with the case petition. So, okay, will be under bail.
CGM Golpara, man. Oblige.
CGM Golpara.
Seven.
Yes, Mr.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, two brothers before your lordship. Lordship, you kindly find FIR at page 9, lordship. Allegation is that stolen of cows, lordship. My lord,
Stolen of cows.
cows, lordship.
Huh.
My lord, the younger brother drives the goods carrier of the elder brother, lordship. Two brothers are here. And the cows which were alleged to be theft belongs to another person, namely Hurmuz Ali, and I have annexed the forwarding report of Hurmuz Ali, page 21. My lord, Hurmuz Ali requested the driver of the vehicle, petitioner number 1, to transport the cows to a market, lordship. And he agreed, he transported the cows, lordship. Therefore, they are implicated, lordship. But the main accused, Hurmuz Ali, has not implicated the petitioner's, lordship. They are merely driver and owner of the vehicle. I have also annexed the car purchasing agreement, lordship. Second-hand car was purchased by the petitioner number 2. Agreement is at page 18, lordship. I have annexed. Petitioner number 2 is the owner of the vehicle, and 1 is the driver, 1 is the younger brother, and 2 is the elder brother, lordship. They are not involved in this case. Just the petition number 1 transported those cows to market, lordship, under the request of the main accused.
City come, lordship.
Lordship, already 26 days in custody. And perhaps
There's a racket, in fact, is going on regarding the theft of the cattle.
Lordship.
So let us peruse the
That's-
case diary.
Rejection.
But their brothers, I have stated. One
The
is
racket is doing all from
one is driver.
Bangladesh to somewhere.
At least number 2, he is the owner of the vehicle. I have annexed the documents also. And police asked him for inquiry. He is arrested, lordship.
Okay,
But
we'll
he
fix
is
it on from where it has to come.
Bongaigaon, lordship. Lordship, they will cooperate. Any condition may be imposed, lordship. Already 26 days.
এটা করি একটু নাই আমার second week of August, they are in custody.
They are also not named in the FIR, lordship.
Sorry. First August. No. You see them. Yeah. First of August,
Obliged.
CDB coffee.
This petitioner is in custody for 53 days, my lord. 90 days is the maximum period, my lord. My lord, one Mustafa Ali, he was initially arrested, my lord. Then on the basis of his statement that I have aided him and supplied some SIM card, my lord. And then accordingly, my lord, I was also arrested. Page 24 is the FIR, my lord.
Hmm.
That I have distributed some SIM card to unauthorized person, my lord. That's the allegation. And this is basically on the basis of the Mustafa Ali's confession, my lord, because Mustafa Ali is initially arrested. But you kindly turn to the page, my lord. Forwarding report, page 26, my lord. Page 27 is the relevant portion, my lord.
Is
Point
this
number-
Mustafa or Rejak?
Mustafa, I am Rejak.
Abdul Razak.
Oh, you are
Yes,
Rejak.
I am
Achha,
Rejak, madam. But on the basis of Mustafa's statement, I have been arrested, madam. Point number 6 of the forwarding report, page 27.
Hmm.
The statement of Khairul Islam under 120 and the statement also indicated so and so. Abdul Razak was involved in the distribution of the SIM card. Mustafa Ali, who was arrested in connection with the Tezpur PS case number so and so, has confessed that the fake SIM card used to extort money from victims are provided to him by Abdul Razak, madam. This is, I am the Abdul Razak.
Mr.
Then-
Bora, now see
and
the
this-
allegation.
Mustafa Ali is
Yes.
already granted bail, madam.
Okay,
Mustafa, he was granted bail, madam, page 29.
29.
Page 29. On the basis of whose statement I have been subsequently arrested, madam.
Let us call for the case diary because otherwise the nature of allegation, if you see, and it's not a case that the Mustafa also says your name that you are the person who
Provided this.
provided these fake SIM cards to
And
and all.
Mustafa used to, my lord, use that SIM card, madam. I'm just the facilitator of the Mustafa, basically. And Mustafa has been granted bail, my lord, by the trial court itself, my lord. That's what.
Okay, then we'll try to give you a
My lord,
only
as soon as
53
possible,
days.
my lord.
He is in custody for
For
53 days.
52 days, madam.
52 days.
As soon as
Yes, when it
possible,
can
madam.
be
On 30, Lordship, 30.
30. 30, can it be 30? I mean, we are both met 31st to Bhura Sana. Bhura se 31st.
And the
31st, Lordship.
We'll
And-
try on 31st then. Yes, 31st we'll try.
Okay.
See it as. From which,
Nalbari.
Nalbari.
oh, Nalbari. It will reach.
Lordship, we
Oh,
try.
31st. Oh.
Okay.
Educated hard Mr. A.M. Bora, the learned senior advocate, assisted by Mr. V. Chaudhary. You are assisting or someone else is assisting? M. Hussain, assisting by M. Hussain, like a city call committee. Okay.
May I plead your lordship?
Yes.
Okay, the petitioner is behind the bar for 18 days.
How many days for?
18 days,
1/8. Acha.
1
Ah.
My lord, the informant brothers, he was kidnapped by the accused number 1 and 2 other accused.
The kidnapped person has already been recovered.
He-
Kidnapped person is
he
recovered?
Recovered, he was recovered,
Acha.
but the petitioner is not FRNM accused. Can you see
No, whatever the person is already recovered.
recovered?
Acha.
And he reported the Ramdeh outpost that they were kidnapping me. Then FR
So how your petitioner got entangled in this case? You are not the FIR named accused. So how you have arrested?
Arrest, accused person named Eunice Ali is arrested as per the statement of victim.
Oh, acha.
Yusuf Ali.
Yusuf Ali. You are Yusuf Ali.
Yusuf Ali.
So considering the statement of the victim itself, you were got arrested in.
Lordship.
So it's not a case that your name is not there, so your involvement is not. It's not a case. Case is there on the basis of the statement of the victim. Only you got arrested. So let us see the case diary because now you against you the allegations of kidnapping has been brought by the victim.
Actually, I stated actual fact. I stated at prayer 7. Actually, there was the victim took an amount of 80,000 rupees from the accused number 1.
Acha.
But when the accused number 1 asked to return the money, victim refused to return them, and he stopped to talk with him.
So that's why this false allegation is brought.
Thereafter, the petitioner, being a friend of accused number 1, he was informed and he asked the victim over telephone to come for settlement. And his family member was also called. He came along with other person, but he refused to pay the same. Then there was a debate. Then after that, they go and lose this also fact. This is the actual fact.
Yes, fact may be as you have narrated, that may be the fact, but it is simple your submission only, and to support that, was there any agreement for the 80,000 rupees? Whether it was, is there any written agreement? It's not there.
It's not.
It's not. It is a oral.
The victim and accused number was friend, were friend. And
After
they
friendship only, money was.
Yeah,
And
they have good relationship, friendship.
that time maybe, but your submission may be correct also, but we have to peruse the case there because it's a case of kidnapping and you were arrested only on the basis of the statement made by the victim himself. So let the CD be perused. Pardon? Now see, we are somehow managing one date on 31st. We don't have any date. In fact, how can we manage? So, kete kora paribo. 8 9 ke pariboni. 8 of paribo. 8 of August. CDB called.
Item 10.
I love.
Where? Petitioner arrested on 5/7, my lord.
5/7.
5/7, my lord.
Ah.
What will find the FIR in page number 12, my lord. And today is the 16th day. Page 12, my lord.
Page 12.
Basically, allegation is that the petition, the accused person is in love with the FIR is lodged by the father of the victim girl, my lord. They were in love and they have some tussle. Then the mobile phone was damaged. They have thrown the mobile phone and that was damaged. my lord.
So your daughter was, I mean, informant's daughter was a minor daughter.
As on date is a minor daughter, my lord. They were in love and they have some quarrel before the gate and the mobile phone was thrown. That got damaged. That is the allegation, my lord. And last 16 days he is behind bar. This is a fact they were in love. That I am not denying.
Last page, page 20. Rejection order, lordship.
Page 20.
That's why I am here, madam.
From perusal of the CD lordship, it appears that sufficient incriminating materials have been found against the petition.
This is order dated 14/7.
No, the allegation is that he loved her and that
Yes,
assaulted her. So he was arrested on 15.
5/7. 5/7. The same day was also produced, also forwarding on page number.
Forwarding is at
Page number 18.
18.
I will cooperate with the investigation.
This is registered under this section kidnapping is also registered here.
That's
140 or something like that.
Often songs and 290.
Huh?
Kidnapping is not there. Kidnapping is not there.
Kidnapping is not.
Not there. Basically, the father wants to avoid that particular petitioner. They should not fall in love and just to avoid all this. This was
Heard Mr. Aspara, the Learned Counsel for the petition. We also heard MS Anders, the Learned Additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection. It is submitted by Mr. Vora that the present accused petitioner and the victim had a love relationship. And so as per you, why the affair was lost?
The father, the victim's girlfriend, father, one is against that particular family. So this has been lost, to avoid him.
But the father of the victim was always against the love affair between the victim and the accused petitioner, and only to harass the petitioner, the false and concocted case has been launched against him. However, he is in custody since last 15 days, and the police had the opportunity to interrogate him, keeping him in custody, and hence further custody interrogation may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation. Petitioner is, however, ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case, and will appear before the IO as and when his presence will be required. MS does the Learned additional PP submitted in this regard that the accused not only assaulted the minor victim, but he also damaged the mobile handset of the victim, and accordingly she insisted to call for the case diary. Next, considering the submission made by Learned Counsel for both sides, and also considering the contents of the statement made in the FIR and the boarding report, etc., I find that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary for the interest of the investigation. Accordingly, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of bail to the so and so. CGM Kokrajhar.
CGM Kokrajhar.
To the satisfaction of CGM Kokrajhar. Okay, you'll be granted.
No blame.
Item 11. Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is a regular bail application, lordship. We have this petitioner in jail custody for 33 days, lordship. Here FIR and cross FIR is there, lordship. We lost the FIR against the informant side, lordship. They lost the FIR against us, lordship. Now this matter, lordship, relate on the same day FIR was lost, lordship. Our case was registered later as because, lordship, our brother, one of the my brother was severely injured, lordship. That photograph was the annex, lordship. That is on page 30, lordship. He is also made an accused in this case, lordship, but he is not arrested, lordship. Now, elder brother of this accused, lordship, was sustained injured, lordship. That photograph, lordship, will find 30, lordship. My brother, lordship. He was injured, lordship. Now, he is also been accused in this case. That FIR, lordship, will find on page 15, lordship. I am the accused number 3 in the case, page 15, lordship. May I read the FIR, lordship? FIR was lost on, lordship, 14/6/2025, lordship. It is explicitly submitted that I am a cultivator by profession and cultivating on the other others' land on the basis of adhyar and thereby maintain my family. On today on 14/6 at about 1:30 p.m. while plowing in the land measuring 2 bighas 2 kata Teher Jaman at that time that above mentioned accused person, each of them equipped with dowel, axe, iron rod and chased me, and also observing them
I ran towards my house. The above name accused person chased me and forcibly trespassed into my house, attacked my father, mother, nephew, Nabijit Ali, my uncle, Jalaluddin, along with my wife, Anirban Khatun, Abrian Khatun, and with a sharp weapon. They have also destroyed the household articles and thereafter fled away from the place of occurrence. My father, mother, nephew, uncle, and wife sustained grievous injury. With the help of the local people, we took them to the Mukalmo hospital. At present, they are under treatment, Lordship. Now, Lordship, kindly our FIR that is on page 25, Lordship.
Your Lordship, may kindly peruse page 32 of the, my lord, the earlier rejection order of the trial court, my lord. Page 32, relevant portion from serial number 7, my lord.
Serial number 5 is there, Lordship, as the land dispute they are stated. Paragraph 5, page 32, Lordship. Same day we lost the FIR, Lordship. It's a land dispute, Lordship. They tried to encroach our land, Lordship. We raised, Lordship. They assault, they attacked us, Lordship. Now both sides, Lordship, their party also arrested. One of them from their side is arrested, Lordship. They got the bail from the court below, Lordship. We approached the High Court, Lordship. Now, Lordship, 32 days in jail, Lordship. Only thing is a land dispute, Lordship. On the same day, we lost the FIR, Lordship. We sustained grievous injury. Photographs I have annexed, Lordship. It's a land dispute, Lordship. Now considering, Lordship, 32 days, Lordship, kindly consider the bail, Lordship. Because otherwise, this dispute arises out of land dispute, Lordship.
Yes, yes, from the rejection order, it seems that two victims sustained grievous injuries.
One, my lord, a female victim sustained grievous injuries caused by blunt object, my lord. Two other victims sustained simple injuries, my lord. So considering that aspect, my lord, the present petitioner, Azizur Rahman's bail petition was rejected, my lord, on 4/7/25.
So from your petition and the list of the accused, there are 6 numbers of accused persons. Out of that, you got arrested.
Yes, Lordship, only I got arrested.
Same.
Only, Lordship, because, Lordship, 32 days, Lordship, nothing more come, Lordship, only because of that land dispute, they try to encroach, Lordship. In both the case, we have stated the same things, they have already stated the same things, Lordship. They got the bail, Lordship, from the court below because they approached the court below, Lordship. And we approach here, Lordship, it's a file, now it is listed, Lordship, the long days, Lordship, that's the problem.
So your earlier rejection order is there.
No, sir. This is the only rejection order, Lordship. This is the
Yes,
first.
that is the rejection order.
Yes, Lordship. Considering the length of detention, Lordship, or the land dispute, Lordship, nothing else, Lordship.
Land dispute is there for land dispute.
Or the
they are
previous,
counting these
we
offences.
also sustained
Well,
injury,
person-
Lordship. That's why, Lordship,
the
page 30, we have given that, Lordship.
Previously injured one lady, my lord.
Whose part is sustained more grievous injury, Lordship? This is the photograph.
Then those will be, my lord,
He is also made an accused number 2, Lordship. This person, Lordship.
only CD will reveal, my lord.
Otherwise, only the length of detention. Otherwise, we don't have anything because both the parties most probably sustained some injuries.
Yes,
And that may be there. But your petitioner, maybe there may be blood injuries may be there, but I don't know whether your injury was grievous or
Yes,
not.
but
But
then-
one person sustained injury grievous, but obviously due to blunt object. By one blunt object. That is also there.
It is also difficult to identify whether these persons are, my lord, from the my lord, petitioner side or my lord.
Okay.
from-
This
we
petition
cannot-
is filed on oath, Lordship. That's why I
Yeah.
annexed these photographs, Lordship. Otherwise, that could not be obtained, Lordship. Only, Lordship, 33 days, Lordship, considering the length of detention, Lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. Botapu, the learned additional VP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Chaudhary, the learned counsel for the petition, that that there was a land dispute between both the parties, and when the informant side tried to dispossess the present petitioner and his family members, there was a dispute, quarrel, and some sort of dispute and quarrel took place between the parties, for which some of the persons sustained injury, including the elder brother of the present petitioner. He also annexed a photograph of his elder brother with injuries on his head. So he further submitted that the present accused petitioner is in custody since last 32 days, and thus the IO got sufficient opportunity to interrogate the present accused petitioner, and hence further custodial interrogation may not be required for the interest of the investigation. Next para, Mr. Portapo, Delan additional PP submitted in this paper that the bail petition of the present accused petitioner was also earlier rejected by the learned additional session Judge Nonvari, with an observation that 3 victims sustained injury due to assault from the petitioner's side, and 1 lady victim also sustained grievous injuries on her person. Mr. Borthakur accordingly submitted that city may be called for to note the actual fact of the case. Next para, hearing the submission made by Learned Counsel for both sides, I have also perused the case record, the forwarding report, as well as the FIR of both the cases. It is a fact that there was a dispute between 2 groups for land, and both the parties sustained some injuries out of the said incident. First, the petitioner is in custody since last 32 days, and only considering his length of detention, and 32 days, and thus the IO got sufficient time for his custodial interrogation, and accordingly I find that further custodial interrogation may not be necessary. In view of this, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of bail to the present petitioner, to whose satisfaction?
CGM Nolbari Lordship.
To the satisfaction of CGM Nolbari.
Item 12.
May I please, Lordship, this is a 43 application.
Yes.
The petitioner is behind the bars since 42 days, Lordship.
How many days?
42 days.
42 days. Okay.
Lordship, before going to the FIR, I want to take Lordship for page number 23, Lordship. 23, Lordship. The vernacular page, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? আজি ইংৰাজী 5/5/2025 তাৰিখে পকাজৰা নিবাসী শ্ৰী অশোক সাহু ককায়েকৰ ঘৰত মাটি অধিগ্ৰহণ সম্পৰ্ক এখনি অবা পকাজৰা গাঁৱৰ ৰাইজ আৰু পকাজৰা কঁঠালডুবি গাঁও বাহিনী প্ৰতিনিধি আলোচনা কৰা হয়। অধিগ্ৰহণকাৰী শ্ৰী মমুৱা সাহুক উক্ত বিষয় সম্পৰ্কত উধাপোচা কৰে আৰু উক্ত বিষয়টি ৰাইজে মণ্ডল আৰু চক্ৰ বিষয়াৰ লগত যোগাযোগৰ পৰামৰ্শ দিয়ে। ইয়াৰ পাছত শ্ৰী মমুৱা সাহুৱে তেখেতৰ ঘৰত থকা সম্পৰ্কীয় ছোৱালীজনীক গৰ্ভধাৰণৰ সম্পৰ্কীয় কথা অৱগত কৰে আৰু শ্ৰী অশোক সাহুৰ সম্পৰ্কত জগৰীয়া কৰে, কিন্তু উক্ত জাগৰত কোনো প্ৰমাণ নোহোৱাৰ বাবে ৰাইজে তেখেতক শ্ৰী অশোক সাহুক জাগৰিত কৰিব পৰা নহল আৰু শ্ৰী মমুৱা সাহুৱে বিষয়টি বিচাৰ কৰিবৰ বাবে ভগৱানৰ ওপৰত এৰি দিয়ে। লগতে উল্লেখ কৰিলে উক্ত বিষয়টিৰ ওপৰত কোনোদিন পুনৰাবৃত্তি নকৰো বুলি শ্ৰী মমুৱা সাহুৱে উপস্থিত ৰাইজৰ আগত মত প্ৰকাশ কৰে। উক্ত বিচাৰ 2 পক্ষ মানি ললো বুলি ৰাইজৰ আগত চহী পৰিলে। Lordship, this is the village resolution, Lordship. The village resolutions took place with regard to land dispute, Lordship. But in the village resolutions, the uncle of the victim, Lordship, raised the issue of pregnancy of the victim. But he could not prove that pregnancy before the villagers, that the petitioner has done the allegation. But he had failed to produce any evidence for which The matter was closed, for which Momoso promised that he would not bring such kind of allegations against the petitioner, Lordship. Now coming to FIR, Lordship. FIR. There is a delay in lodging the FIR, Lordship. Incident took place from 15/12/2024, but the victim lodged the FIR on 4/6/2025. May I read the FIR, Lordship? On 4/6/2025, complainant Srimati Khushi Sahu, care of Srimati Sangeeta Sahu, resident of village Pokajara under government.
I have, so there's an allegation of committing rape on her, and
Yes, Lordship, but
most probably out of that, the rape, she got pregnant, in fact. That which seems to,
there was no medical examination done, Lordship.
we don't know at present.
There was no medical examination, no DNA report was there, Lordship.
No pregnancy report.
No pregnancy report is there.
From where you are saying this one?
This one is para 10, Lordship.
No, it is your submission. We don't know whether there was any medical report or not. At present, how can we say that whether she is pregnant at present or not?
I think these allegations arise out of this land dispute on the Lordship.
That may be because there is a meeting, village meeting,
Yes.
as you have submitted on page number 20. There's
Yes,
obviously a meeting, but in the meeting itself,
Mo-
the issue was raised, in fact. Though it was not considered, was not discussed in the meeting. But the fact is that those allegations or that she became pregnant, that is raised itself in the meeting also. It's not that it was not raised. So let us call for the case that your petitioner is in custody since last 42 days.
42 days, Lordship, considering all the aspect, I will go on bail, Lordship. This is a false allegations made against me, Lordship.
কেটে দিব পাৰিব। পাৰিব। অগষ্টতে দিয়ক, অগষ্টত 1 তাৰিখে নিদিব আৰু মই বহুত ওলাই যাম। Second August খোলাই নাই, বন্ধ দে। Second is Saturday, I think. 4th of August. CDB called for 4th of August. Sariat, along with the medical report. We are also calling for the medical report. 4th of August.
13 may kindly taken after some time I will get the report, man. Whether any case pending or anything.
At 2? After some time?
Well. Obliged.
मतलब at 2 man.
At 2.
At 2.
14. Wait, please. My lord, anticipated bail application, my lord. FIR, my lord, vernacular at page 17, my lord.
Page 17.
Page 17. May I read that? সন্মান সহকাৰে মহাশয় অৱগত কৰোঁ যে আজি ৰাতিপুৱা আমি অশোক লিলেন 1109 গাড়ীৰে দেৰগাঁও নাহৰণিৰ পৰা অগৰু বয়বস্তু লৈ আহি থকা অৱস্থাত বোকাখাটত আমাৰ গাড়ীখন সাংবাদিকে জেৰা কৰে আৰু পইচা 25,000 টকা অনলাইন যোগে আমাৰ পৰা লৈ পিছত তেওঁলোকে বেলেগ এটা পাৰ্টিক জনাই সিহঁতে গাড়ীখন জব্দ কৰি আহে লৈ আহে আৰু তেজপুৰৰ পৰুৱা চাৰিআলিৰ পৰা গাড়ীখনক আৰু গাড়ীৰ ড্ৰাইভাৰ হেণ্ডিমেন আৰু এজন ব্যক্তি আমাৰ কাম কৰা মানুহ আৰু আমি দুজন এটা এল্টো গাড়ী লৈ পিছত আছিলো পিছত যেতিয়া ড্ৰাইভাৰ হেণ্ডিমেন ফোন কৰোঁ সবৰে মোবাইল চুইচ অফ দেখায় আৰু গাড়ীখনৰ কোনো খবৰ নাই মহাশয়ৰ ওচৰত বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ যে আমাৰ এই গোচৰটো মহাশয় সহায় কৰি আইনগতভাৱে আমাক সহায় কৰে Hey, my lord, so far my instruction, my lord, vehicle has, my lord, carrying Ogoru without proper documents. So, my lord, customs officials from Dibrugarh, my lord, has seized the said vehicle, my lord. And here, my lord, allegation in respect of the petitioner is that, my lord, we are the, my lord, journalists, my lord, we have taken rupees 25,000 in online mode from the informant, my lord. Here, my lord, I admitted, my lord, I have taken rupees 25,000, but the reason is that, my lord, we are on the same date, my lord. We are also, my lord, traveling from Bokakhat to, my lord, Kaziranga, my lord. And on the way, my lord,
truck vehicle, my lord, has hit our vehicle from behind, my lord, for which, my lord, substantial damage was caused to our vehicle, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, we, my lord, stopped the vehicle, my lord, and we took the driver to a nearby garage along with our vehicle, my lord. And I have annexed the document at page 21, my lord. And in the garage, my lord, an estimated bill of, my lord, 20,800 was, my lord, given. And also, my lord, it was informed, my lord, that the, my lord, the rear glass of our vehicle would be, my lord, cost of rupees 6,000, my lord. And accordingly, it was settled at rupees 25,000, my lord. They have paid, my lord, 25,000, and, my lord, subsequently this, my lord, their vehicle has been, my lord, seized. My lord. This is the case, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, we have not, my lord, extorted any money, my lord, nor any illegal demand, my lord. Only because of that accident, my lord, that amount has been paid to us, my lord. This is the case, my lord. Page 21, my lord, I have annexed the bill, my lord. It's a, my lord, Mohibul Hussain Motors, my lord. And page 19 is the, my lord, RC of our vehicle, my lord. So, my lord, CD may be called from, my lord, and in the meantime, my lord, I may be protected, my lord.
So where the vehicle gone now?
So far, I have stated in my paragraph 4, my lord.
Seized by custom department.
Lordship, my lord. It was seized by custom department. It was, my lord, laying in the, my lord, designated parking of the, my lord, custom department, my lord. We are not officials, my lord. We cannot, my lord, seize any vehicle, my lord.
Otherwise, admittedly, my lord, those, my lord, that vehicle carried Ogoru, my lord. And the vehicle is now under the custody of the custom now, they are the reporters, my lord. So only case that you will reveal, my lord, genuineness of all these receipts, my lord. That is whether any damage to the vehicle or this is a, my lord, genuine story or, my lord, and everything, whether they have actually taken that money by way of demand, my lord. Only CD will reveal all those.
CD may be called for, but in the meantime, my lord, I may be protected. My lord. I may categorically.
You both the petitioners are the,
Otherwise, some reporters are involved in demanding, that is also.
yes, admitted. Now their reporters are now blackmailing the
Yes.
persons.
But in this case, my lord, it is a genuine, my lord, I have.
No, maybe,
Lordship.
we are not only in general, we are saying,
Lordship.
your both the petitioners are the reporter.
Yes, lordship, my lord. I have annexed the, my lord,
and
their identity
admittedly,
card
my
at
lord,
page 10 and 11, my lord.
In which channel or which?
Page 10, my lord, Matsoika, NKTV, my lord. And page 11, my lord, Biswa Datta, my lord, NB News, my lord. I have, there, my lord, icon, my lord, I have annexed.
And that truck was not transporting any other materials but Ogoru, my lord.
That is admitted.
My lord, that vehicle has also, my lord, now under the custody of the customs. So everything
Maybe.
is linked, my lord. So
Heard Mr. K. Borga, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Potaku, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so in connection with so. It is submitted by Mr. Borga that both the accused petitioners are the reporter of petition number 1 and 2 are the reporters of NKTV and NBTV, NB News respectively. And it is affected on the day of incident. They took 25,000 from the vehicle owner as their vehicle was hit by the vehicle carrying the Ogoru, and as per the bill furnished in the garage, they took 25,000 from the 25,000. But as per their information, they said truck was seized by the custom department as they were carrying Ogoru without having any valid documents. But both the petitioners are ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if they are granted with some interim protection. Next para, Mr. Potaku, the learned additional PP submitted that admittedly the truck was carrying Ogoru, but at present it is not in a position to say as to whether the truck was intercepted or seized by the custom department and the involvement of the present petitioners in the said case. Accordingly, he insisted to call for the case trial. Next, para hearing the submission made by Learned Counsel for both sides. And statement made in the FIR and the other aspects of the case, I find it difficult to exclude. Okay, you will be under interim protection. When can it be fixed?
21st of August.
There will be some conditions, abide by all the conditions.
In this field.
Very emotional, this we are not enough of footage time. This is a go for our time in a home. Oh, just some shot again. 15 Item 15, yours?
Yes, Lordship. I mean item 15. Lordship, may kindly call for the case diary, Lordship. 103 is there, Lordship.
103.
302, Lordship. IPC.
CTP call for. Yes, Bhattakur, when it can be called for.
August 26.
Will do.
AB. 6. 9. 12th of August, Lordship. 13th of August.
32 August. Okay, Ahmed, we are calling it. Right.
Salute.
Yes, what is item 16?
In item 16, Lordship. King Lordship, interim bail, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly come to the FIR, Lordship, at page number 14. This is, Lordship, actually, Lordship, a complaint case. And Lordship, direction was given to register
and investigate.
Investigate. Here, Lordship, the so many sections are there, Lordship. Only non-bailable section is section 318(4), 7 years, and that is keeping. Lordship, may kindly come to page number 17, Lordship. Very big complaint, Lordship. Only one paragraph I am reading, Lordship. The main part. Paragraph 17, Lordship. The accused person, in connivance with the landlord of my business establishment, entered into an agreement with the accused number 1 and accused person and the accused persons by forging the documents relating to my business establishment, recorded the name of the accused number 1 therein. The accused person, by showing the dagger and by applying force, tried to push me out from my business establishment, and the local people gathered there and saved my life. Now I understood that the accused person were in touch with each other in order to capture my business establishment. This is a controversy, Lordship, between co-partners. One is the informant, another 3 accused persons. And because of some business transactions, Lordship, this case was lost. I'm seeking interim, Lordship, on the ground that, Lordship, first of all, this complaint case in the present form is not maintainable, Lordship. Section 156(3), Lordship. Before, Lordship, passing any order regarding, Lordship, may kindly peruse the order dated 7/10/2024. Just now I have only last 2 paragraphs, Lordship, I am reading. Considering the nature of the case, I deem it fit to allow the prayer for forwarding the instant case to Pathakandi PS. Send the original complaint petition along with annexures, if any, and a copy of this order to OC Pathakandi for registration, investigation, and submission of FF at the earliest. The settled proposition of law is that, Lordship, before passing any order under section 156(3), Lordship, the magistrate has to apply its mind as to whether the complainant has approached the concerned police station for lodging the FIR. If the answer is no, then, Lordship, there cannot be any direction for registration and investigation of the complaint case, Lordship. First of all, the complainant in the complaint petition itself has to state that he approached the concerned police station and the concerned police station refused or whatever, and all the remedies are exhausted. And regarding that, Lordship, the very recent judgment is, Lordship.
No, but from this order, you are annexing this order. You, whether there is any, was there any statement in the complaint case?
No, Lordship, I have annexed the complaint, Lordship.
Otherwise, this is the anticipatory bail.
Yes,
application
Lordship, and
regarding
obviously
any legality
anticipatory
of the
bail.
order passed by the trial court regarding 156(3). They will have to challenge that order. That is a different.
That is
aspect.
obvious.
Now this is anticipatory bail application. So on the basis of the FIR, my lord, your lordship has to decide whether petitioner is entitled for any interim or my lord, or not, my lord. That is only the subject matter of the present petition.
Obviously,
Regarding
Lordship,
any legality or illegality in order passing under 156(3), they will have to file separate petition for that. Now only from the contents of the FIR, your lordship has to decide whether petitioner is entitled for any protection.
Now, as per the FIR or the complaint, there's a liability in some business establishment issues are there.
Since that initially my petitioner is the employee, appointed as an employee in the business establishment of the petitioner. Now, my lord, the allegation is that petitioner is trying to, my lord, take over all his, my lord, business establishment. And regarding that, so allegation is that by forging some of the documents and by various means, my lord, that is the crux of the allegation. So for that, he has lodged this complaint, and thereafter trial court has directed for the police to hold an investigation.
For registration.
and Lordship, why I am seeking Lordship interim bail, Lordship. First of all, no doubt, Lordship, if I have to challenge this order, Lordship, then I have to file a different case, Lordship. I'm not on that. Why I'm submitting, Lordship, on that point, just to establish that, Lordship, the present case is nothing, just to file, just to harass us, Lordship.
Well, let him
That's the
record his statement.
Yes,
at the
Lordship.
exchange and CD may be
Yes,
called.
Lordship. I will take it. We will appear.
Heard Mr. M. Ahmed, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Bhattakur, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Next, for considering this submission, meanwhile, learned counsel for both sides. Statement made in the FIR. I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail till the receipt of the case file, according to so and so. Okay, you'll be under interim protection, appear before the IO and cooperate in the investigation of this case.
Within 7 days, Lordship.
Yes, yes, within 7 days will appear. When it can be called for, what happened?
On 29 April.
29. We're calling it on 29.
have price.
For that, you have.
Yes, Lordship, I will appear.
17.
Matter में भी 500 का खुदा time भी है, मैं seniors on next.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, 482 petition, lordship, FIR is page 8, lordship. Theme of
Eight.
page 8, lordship. And vernacular is, lordship, page 12. Lordship, 3 mobile were stolen away by some miscreant. They could not identify that around the suspect that we will also be part of that. Because, lordship, may I read, lordship?
How, why you are part of?
No, lordship, because what happened, lordship, in the very wee hours of that day, lordship, 3 mobile were theft from the house by open window. He says the person, later on he seen some person is surfing some mobile in a veranda of a shop at about 4:50 p.m. morning. When he says those boys, all the boys has run away. So he suspect that those may be the person who has stolen away the mobile from his house. But what happened, lordship? we
But
were in-
obviously there is reason to believe that you are
Yes, because-
searching the mobile. And when the petitioner come, you, I mean, the informant come,
Yes.
you ran away.
Because what happened, lordship, on that day, lordship, we went for morning walk, lordship. And rain came, lordship. We took shelter of a shed of a house shop, lordship. Then a person has says, some person sure. And all were ran away from that. We also ran away along with those boys, lordship. So police has now called all of them by seeing the CCTV, lordship. Yes, lordship. This is the fact, lordship. I have stated in paragraph 5 of my petition, lordship. Otherwise, lordship, I am not involved in this any manner, lordship. So I will cooperate. I will depose before the police, lordship. I will appear. So, something file interim protection maybe you can look. And offense is 305 lordship, maximum punishment is 7 years.
Have you received any notice from police?
Came to our. After searching in the CCTV, we are also in that safe lordship, under that safe lordship, to protect ourselves from the rain, and ultimately we have to approach before this honorable court.
Now, as per information, is there any recovery till now?
No, I think I don't have information in that.
আমাৰ আছিল লগতে এজনে আমাৰ ঘৰৰে মোবাইল
চাই আছিলে।
মোৰ সন্দেহতে ধৰিব যাওঁতে so while he is searching for the mobile one of the boy my lord he was looking after the mobile of the present my lord
Informants mobile.
yes, informant লাগি থকা CCTV কৰে যদিও কম্পিউটাৰ দোকানত লাগি থকা CCTV কেমেৰাত সম্পূৰ্ণ দৃশ্য বন্দী হয় so from CCTV footage maybe there
He also is suspect that this maybe his mobile, and one boy has searching his mobile.
Case diary will reveal
That case diary we call for. In the meantime, I will appear before the IO lordship.
But you were also under CCTV.
Yes. I cannot deny.
Heard Mr. P.P. Dutta, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. P. Potapu, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Okay, this is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Dutta that the present petitioner is innocent and he has not committed any such offense as is in the FIR. However, it is a fact that on the day of incident, after a morning walk, he along with some boys took a shelter in a shop and was searching in the mobile and was busy with the mobile handset. At that very moment, one person came there shouting "Sur, theft, sur," and only some other boys, when some boys started running away from the place. The present petitioner, along with other two boys, also ran away from the place of occurrence out of fear. And hence, the police is now searching for the present petitioner. But he is still ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is granted with some interim protection. Next, Mr. Potapu, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that in the CCTV, the boys were seen in the CCTV and from the and after the CCTV after seeing the CCTV footage only, the FIR is registered and hence he insisted to call for the case diary to know the actual fact of the case. Okay, you will be under interim protection.
Obliged.
my lord 11th of August
11th of August. Short date you're giving? 11th of
because my
August.
lord that rejection order of the Duliajan PS case is also not so well that's why I'm paying
Duliajan PS case number?
Duliajan earlier rejected by my lord rejection order is also not available my lord
I have mentioned okay.
only
No, it's not available.
not available. So only
Okay,
CDV
11/8, okay. 11.
Obliged.
Abide by all conditions we put in the case.
time being item 17.
I apologize, Your Lordship.
Nice.
This is a anticipatory bail application, Your Lordship. The FIR, Your Lordship, may kindly peruse at page 14. May I read, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I am writing to formally lodge a complaint regarding the disappearance of a vehicle bearing registration number
so and so. The said vehicle was loaded with 1,500 cartons of Ruchi Goel Palmolene 770-gram pouches from the Ajara yard on 1st June 2025 and was destined for Porpeta Road. The consignment was booked through broker Neeru Jain, the present petitioner, Your Lordship, and was meant for delivery to the following parties: Anurag Agencies 1,100 cartons by invoice number so and so, Ganesh Mill 200 cartons by invoice number so and so, Sudhir Chandra Saha 200 cartons by invoice number so and so, vehicle provider broker number is so and so, so and so. The vehicle did not reach the intended destination on 2nd of June 2025 and has been untraceable since it left Ajara yard. All attempts to contact the driver and the vehicle owner, Mr. Mafidul Islam, address Hassan Mia Haripur Borpeta, Assam mobile number have failed as both their phones have remained switched off since the morning of 2nd June 2025. This matter is of grave concern due to high value of the consignment and the potential for misappropriation or theft. I therefore request you to kindly take strict action and to do the needful as soon as possible to trace the vehicle consignment and those responsible. All relevant documents, including invoices, vehicle registrations, and communication records, will be provided upon request. Now, Your Lordship, in this case, I am the broker, Your Lordship. I am a registered broker. Page 16, Your Lordship, may kindly see it's a trade license that has been issued to me. My business is a broker, Your Lordship. What I do is that I buy this from the Pamulin oil from the companies and then give it to the other retail customers, Your Lordship. In the meantime, what has happened is, Your Lordship, this entire truck is missing. The owner is missing. The driver is missing. I apprehend that I may be arrested in this case, Your Lordship. And that is the reason I am before this honorable court, Your Lordship. Some protection will be granted, Your Lordship. I have absolutely no role, Your Lordship. I have also enclosed the invoices, Your Lordship. May kindly peruse from page 18. These are the tax invoices of all the goods, Your Lordship. Page 18, then page 20, and page 22. The tax invoices, Your Lordship. Anurag Agencies, Sri Ganesh Oils, and Your Lordship, Sudhir Chandra Saha.
So now the truck is missing.
The truck is missing, Your Lordship. The goods are missing. I believe the owner and the driver, they had conspired, Your Lordship. I have no role in that, Your Lordship. So I'm being protected, Your Lordship.
Yes, Potter.
It seems that she is the broker responsible for delivery of those goods, my lord, to the destination. Ultimately, trucks and goods both are missing.
Item number 17. Heard Mr. T. Dewdy, Delaney, counsel for a petition, and also heard Mr. P. Waterpool, Delaney, additional PP, appearing on behalf of state. This is an application and section so and so connection with students. Is submitted by Mr. Dewdy that the present accused petitioner is a broker and she has the proper license to the trade license to that regard. And she or he also, she or he, the petitioner, he or she?
He, Your Lordship.
Eh?
He.
He,
It's Neeru Jain, but he,
Achha.
Your Lordship.
He, they, she, no. And he also annexed the tax invoices in that regard. He further submitted that the truck, there may be the conspiracy between the truck owner and the driver, and in missing the truck which were loaded with the goods. but as a broker, she has no role in the said offense. However, she will have, sorry, however, he will cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if he is provided with some interim protection. Next, madam. Mr. Bottomwood, the landlord additional PP submitted in this regard that being a broker, his duty is to deliver the goods in the destinations and destinations, but here in this case, he failed to, the truck did not reach the destination and was missing. So Mr. Bottomwood accordingly submitted that city may reveal the actual fact of the case. Next, madam, hearing the submission made by learned counsel for both sides, considering the statement made in the FIR and other aspects of the case, I find it a case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail to the petitioner during the of the case time. Okay, you'll be under interim protection.
I'm very grateful, Your Lordship.
When it can be fixed? 28 of
28th of August.
20 or 28?
28.
28.
Very grateful, Your Lordship.
M19.
This will be last time. It was on it.
May I pay, Lordship?
Yes.
The anticipated bail application, Lordship, FIR page 9, Lordship. Allegation is that, Lordship, both the petitioner and the informant having love affairs last few years, Lordship, and he assured her to marry, Lordship, and now his informant suspect that he will marry other girl, Lordship, but yet not married he. And Lordship, he also alleged against my younger brother also, and younger brother already protected by this court, Lordship.
Why? Why younger brother is also?
Last line of the FIR is that, Lordship, on the 10/6/2015 at around 11 AM, the accused took me to Sotia Center to marry me, but instead of that, he quarreled with me. The accused left from there, and the accused number 2, who is the younger brother, to quarrel with me and physically assault me. This line.
Maybe.
He was already, younger brother is already protected by this court, Lordship, and Lordship is aware about the Supreme Court decision that, Lordship, false promise to marry, Lordship, not amount to sitting, Lordship. And he already, both the consenting party, Lordship, both are married also, Lordship, last few years having relationship with the informant, Lordship. So I may be protected, I am ready to appear before the IO to cooperate with the investigation authority, Lordship.
Main allegation is against already 2 granted, but main allegation is against petitioner number 1. And regarding my lord, the decision cited by my learned friend, that will my lord deal with later on, my lord. Otherwise, how the sitting ingredient could do, will have to be looked into. What?
Unless the FIR, the third line is clear that assured me to marry since last few years. That means they are both are consenting party, Lordship.
Seems to be. Yeah.
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. U.S. Borgohain, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. P. Bottomwood, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Next paragraph, considering this submission made by learned counsel for both sides, statement made in the FIR and other aspects of the case, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail till receipt of the case diary. So it'll be under interim protection, appear before the IO and cooperate in the investigation of this case. Yes, when can be fixed?
On my lord, 26th.
26th of August.
Highly obliged.
Pre-arrest bill application, Lordship. The FIR, Lordship, will find on page 9, Lordship.
Yes.
Page 9 is the FIR, Lordship, the typed out copy.
Yes.
Lordship. I would like to inform you that on 27/1/2025, I came down from my work to my residence at around 6 p.m. from Khanapara. After entering into my house, I found that the window grill is broken and also door is open and from the backside of my house. Then I entered into room and I found my almirah is broken and the following goods and diamond jewelry, including other belongings, are missing. This is the list of missing, Lordship. Now what happened, Lordship? Lordship will turn to page 4 of my petition, Lordship. I'm sorry, Lordship, page 3, paragraph 4, Lordship. Basically, I have come for 2 grounds, Lordship, that is page 3, Lordship, paragraph 4, Lordship.
Yes.
Very. That Lordship, the petitioner is a petty businessman and running a mobile repairing shop in the premises of the informant. The informant recently started pressuring the petitioner to vacate the shop, but the petitioner did not vacate the room and requested the informant to allow him time to seek the shop. And that is the reason for the petitioner in the instant case to vacate the shop. This is the one of the ground, Lordship. There is a dispute between the informant and him for vacating the plot. And Lordship will kindly turn to page 5, Lordship. This is the second ground, Lordship, that the petitioner begs to state that he is a sole child. The petitioner wife, namely Shamsun Nehar, is pregnant and expected delivery of child is 08/08/2024, 25. At this stage, if the petitioner is detained in custody, wife of the petitioner will suffer extreme hardship and therefore causes on the medical ground. Second, and thirdly, Lordship, it is evident while I have approached before the session judge, Lordship, while rejecting my petition, Lordship, the order clearly said I was found in the CC camera, Lordship. And that is why, Lordship, I have a shop there. Definitely the CCTV will take the footage will be there, Lordship. There is that session judge rejection order also I have annexed, Lordship. Don't pay annex 3, page 19, Lordship. Page 19, the last part of the order. It says the perusal of the case there is sufficient indicative material against the accused. He was seen in the CCTV footage loitering in the suspicious manner. I have sought their, Lordship. It is my footage will be caught in the CC camera, Lordship. And regarding these 2 ground, Lordship, that vacating the plot and my wife medical only opportunity is to appear before the IO, Lordship. This is my humble prayer, Lordship, at this stage.
Otherwise, Madam, if he is a tenant also, then also you will have to take, there are other legal remedies available to my lord.
Otherwise, it's not a case of interim, I think, because it's a case now, see, it is not a case that only as you are being you are asked to vacate this shop.
No,
There may be a dispute between that
This is
case.
not genuinely
But the
theft
case
to-
was genuinely theft was it?
Theft-
And
theft
he
to-
is not, this is a case
No.
not as he is uttering your name and all.
I
It's a simple a case of theft.
No, I admit it, Lordship. It is a case of theft, Lordship. But when police asked him, do you have any suspect, Lordship? Because we have a dispute, so he might, informant might have told that I suspect him, Lordship.
Okay,
So,
call for the case diary.
till then, Lordship, the medical condition is also there, Lordship. The date is 8/8.
Somehow you manage, but you have
Lordship.
called for the case.
Lordship.
Dedicate your going. You don't have any, yes, actually we are we are facing shortage of date, in fact.
Yes.
Anyway, as per you, when it can be.
First of all.
First of August, we have many cases have been
Any date as per
the
the
1st of
convenience of
August,
the-
but
Any date as per the convenience of the lord.
because we have some personal problem on 1st of August, we are
Fifth-
trying.
5th of
We
August,
have
5th or 6th.
let it be on 4th because she is pregnant, I think, na?
As,
4th of August.
much obliged, your Lordship. Much obliged.
CDP.
21.
May I please, your lordship, my lord, this is a pre-arrest bail, my lord. The issue is, my lord, basically a fight between husband and wife. The FIR is at page 10, my lord. The FIR has been filed by the father-in-law of the petitioner, my lord. Now, my lord, after FIR was filed on 15/6, now, my lord, on 19/7, my lord, there was a meeting and in front of the villagers, and my lord, it has been settled between the husband and wife, and now wife has also come back, my lord.
And it has been settled, my lord, and wife has come back. And because the marriage took place in the year 2013, my lord, they have a girl child aged about 11 years and a boy child about 8 years, my lord. And considering their future and other aspects, my lord, they have settled in front of all the villagers and they have signed, and the wife has come back now, my lord.
Who is the second accused?
Second accused, my lord, it was actually, my lord, I said that it was a false allegation, my lord. Because, my lord, there was a fight between husband and wife. Wife came
Oh,
back to.
she is the illicit relation.
Illicit marriage.
Oh, acha, acha.
Yes, my lord. And the wife came to, went to her parents' house. So her father lodged an affair against the petitioner, my lord. And it was a false allegation, my lord, because, my lord, that lady, my lord, who has been named, my lord, she is the daughter of a person with whom the petitioner has business relationship, my lord. The petitioner is a supplier of bricks and etc. And the father of that second accused is having a hardware shop. That way, they have got a family relationship, and taking advantage of that, my lord, the father of the father-in-law lost a false complaint, my lord. Anyway, now, my lord, it has been sorted out. The wife has come back. They have 2 kids, my lord.
Otherwise, my lord, my lord, from the allegation, my lord, page 11, my lord, FIR, my lord. There are the
Before that,
illicit-
a serious allegation have been made, my lord.
Yes,
I
my lord.
my lord.
Page 11, my lord, last para, my lord.
Hmm.
However, yesterday, so when my daughter saw her husband communicating with his illicit partner via WhatsApp and objected, the first accused attacked her with an iron rod with an intent to kill and inflicted grievous injury all over her body. He also tried to strangulate her in an attempt to kill her. No stopping there, he then took petrol out from his bike and tried to pour it over her and set her on fire. Left with no other choice and having lost all hopes, my daughter left the house with the intention of ending her life. Upon receiving the news at so-and-so, I began searching for her in Misamari and Thelamara areas. Eventually, at around so-and-so, I found her in a critical condition near a tea shop opposite to Geo Petrol Pump and Dongabasti. I immediately brought her to the Misamari police station, from where she was sent to medical treatment.
My lord, this is totally a false allegation, my lord. If it had been true, my lord, she would not have come back, my lord. And they have 2 kids, my lord, 11 years
And
and
the
8
offenses are
years,
also
my lord.
1091 is there, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Because she would not have come back if it would have been true, my lord. Because only because there was a fight and her father, my lord, he has lost the affair.
We don't know what is her
Yes, my lord, I understand.
compulsion. She
No, I understand, my lord. The case may go on, it will be investigated. But now, since she has come back, they are staying together, my lord. So at this stage, my lord, and already there is a settlement between the parties. So the custodial interrogation is not required, my lord. That is my humble submission, my lord, at this stage. Because now they are staying together, my lord, after this settlement. And your lordship may keep it at a record, my lord. And on the basis of this settlement agreement, my lord, your lordship may grant interim and your lordship may call for CD. And I assure that, my lord, there will be no such medical report, my lord, because it is totally a false allegation. Your lordship may call for the CD and your lordship may see if there is any medical report in respect of the wife, my lord. Because this is totally false allegation, my lord.
heard Mr. D.P. Bora, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of the respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner, also considering the fact that the informant victim had already returned back to her matrimonial house and presently staying in the house of the petitioner as a husband and wife along with her 2 kids. To that effect, the Mr. Bora also submitted one compromise deed between the petitioner and the victim. However, Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, submitted that agade didi lumegi. No, considering submission করা আছে no? To মিলাব লাগিব। আচ্ছা কাটক এইখিনি কাটি দিয়কচোন তাহলে। Mr. Bora Dilanet, Pakini Katito, Mr. Bora Dilanet, Land Council for the petition submitted that it was a family dispute and due to a dispute between husband and wife. And out of anger and instigation, the father of the victim had launched the FIR, but presently both the petitioner and the victim are staying together as a husband and wife along with their kids. Kids, full stop. However, the present accused petitioner is ready and willing to vote. Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP submitted in this regard that there is not only the allegation of assault and mental and physical torture, but there was an allegation in the FIR that the accused petitioner also tried to commit murder of the attempted to commit murder of the present murder of the victim, and accordingly he insisted to call for the case diary. Okay, I'll be under interim protection.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sharma, when it can be.
My lord. 21 my lord. August. City.
Obliged, my lord, deeply obliged. my lord.
Item 22.
May I please, Lordship, anticipatory bail application, Lordship. Lordship, FIR page 11, Lordship.
Page 11.
Page 11. May I read, Lordship?
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited above, I would like to inform you that Honorable Guwahati High Court in its order dated so and so by WBC number so and so granted been declared for national.
We have called for the, yes, yes. Once
Already-
PD was called for.
Already another case was fixed.
Yes, yes, when it is called for
31-7.
31-7. Okay, then. List
BA
on
Bail
list
application
on
number 221.
31-7-2020. So CDB called for list on 31-7-2025. List the matter along with, yes, other number.
Bail application number 221.
That is BA.
E.
BA application number
2218.
2218.
Okay.
Oblique 2020.
Yes. Deeply obliged.
23.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lord, rearrest bill application, my lord, FIR is page 11, my lord. May I read it, my lord? Humble submission, sir, humble submission is that last on 6/6/2025 at about 4 p.m. when my son Namdi Muzammil Haq along with my younger son Mokibur Rahman were coming towards house from Aikata Market with his four-wheeler car bearing registration number Swanchun. And he has committed an accident at Polimari and he has flee away from the car in fear. Later on, above mentioned accused persons and others taking out my younger son from the car and assaulted and injured him badly with the intention to kill him. And the car has been crushed and a fair amount of damage. This is fair, my lord. My lord, kindly come to page 3 of my petition, paragraph 4, my lord. This is the real fact, my lord.
So he fled away or he was there?
My lord, the FIR is false, my lord. The son of informant, namely Mokibur Rahman, who has driven the car without license, my lord. And he has committed an accident, my lord, and the eyewitnesses as well as the public has assaulted him, my lord.
Is the one of the present prisoner who assaulted the my lord, that person, my lord, victim, my lord.
My lord,
Actually, call for CD here, my lord. And From the FIR itself, it is the, he is the number one, my lord, FIR name accused person, my lord. And his involvement is severe, my lord.
My lord,
All of them assaulted the, my lord, victim, my lord. This is lordship may call for CD, my lord.
my lord, all other accused has been released on bail. The court below, my lord.
Why didn't you approach?
My lord,
Why didn't you approach the learned trial court below?
they have been arrested, my lord.
Before session judge also, this could have been filed. We have directly come to this court.
My lord.
Most of the petitions are presently directly before the court, this court. We have a talk with the, this time the full committee will raise
They
the,
have never filed in the court below.
we'll have to raise the,
Direct-
all the time bail matters is very hardiness now. We will raise the issue that all the matters have been directly come before the land, this court. They have not approached before the land trial.
Right.
This option is there.
Yeah. CBN medical report, my lord.
So you are the FIR named accused, one FIR named accused.
My lord,
You are the accused number one.
My lord.
And that apart, as per the allegation, he sustained severe injuries. Person may commit an offense, I mean accident, that is okay. And as you have submitted that he had no driving license and all. That may be, but
My
the
lord,
question is that for that only you
suspected,
cannot
my
take
lord.
the law in your own hand, no? Who authorize you to assault this one and to probe the car? You
My lord, my lord, the injured person is my neighbor as well as my friend. When I ran away to the place of incident and tried to rescue him, but his father, the informant, has requested me to submit my driving license, my lord. This is the fact, my lord. He has requested me to submit my driving license. When I denied it, then the FIR has been lost against me, my lord. This is the fact, my lord.
Considering the submission corridor, your MS
And national.
and Nasrin. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Considering the submission made by learned counsel for the petitioner and the statement made in the FI, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest to the present petitioner till this case time. When it can be called for?
My lord, from Subri, my lord, that may be, my lord, 19th of August.
Police.
19th of August. He will be under interim.
Yes.
Yes.
Item 24.
Yeah, this is pre-arrest bail lordship, and this case non-FIR lordship, but I'm very clearly mentioned in my petition, page number 3, para number 2 lordship, and 1 contact number lordship, page number 10, para number 2 lordship, and from this number lordship and more than 2-3 times lordship and call the petitioner to appear to the CID police station lordship. But in this regard,
So if it is a case of supposed to be investigated by the CID, then the nature of case definitely would be serious in nature. I don't know, but at this stage, because we don't have anything. So let us call for a report at this stage. Let us see if it is there, if anything is there.
But otherwise, we have charged lordship in the court, lordship, court below lordship. There is no count any case against them, lordship.
You have not till date you have not.
Lordship. So that is why lordship apprehension is lordship.
Yes, obviously. Mr. F. Hawk, the learned counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. And this is an application under section 482 BNSS seeking pre-arrest bail. It is submitted by Mr. Hawk that the petitioner received several phone calls from the office of the CID, Ulubari, and hence he has the apprehension of arrest in connection with any case to be registered in the office of the CID, Ulubari, Guwahati. Next, in view of this, let a report be called for. So this is to be called from the CID office of the Ulubari.
Ulubari.
Let a report be called from CID office Ulubari.
What?
The learned additional PP will take necessary steps in procuring the report from the police station, CID police station, as to whether any case has been registered against the present petitioner or not.
Ma'am.
Please, when it can be listed, Sharma?
29th, madam.
29th of this month?
Madam.
29th, sorry.
Publish.
25.
Dearest bail, my lord, this case is matter, we have purchased the land from the informant's party line. In 23, we have taken possession along with a constructed house. Thereafter, my lord, we have demolished this house in order to build a new house, my lord. They have come and saying that we have demolished their own house, my lord. This is the case. And kindly see the FIR, my lord. Yes. We have purchased the land along with the house. We demolished the house in order to build a new house, my lord, because construction, my lord. When we did it, initially they filed a petition, my lord, titles are dismissed. Thereafter, they wanted to take force by force. That then we filed a petition under section 144. That restrained. Thereafter, we filed another petition, my lord, 107. That proceeding is pending, my lord. This is the case, my lord. Now, if you also come to FIR, my lord, yeah, just page 12, page 12. Hello. With due respect, back to your lordship, that on 6/7/25, Sunday at about 7 a.m. morning, under the leadership of Jashimuddin, petition number 1. Then Mukhtar Hussain already arrested, my Najimuddin, here petitioner, General Abidin petitioner, then Muhammad Ali Faizul Haq, with a lot of others with axe in hand, along with other sharp weapons, attacked me and my family members. They also looted money and other valuable items from our house. Moreover, when I tried to prevent them, the accused person, by pointing sharp weapon on my neck, threatened to kill me. And when the accused assaulted my mother, I stopped shouting. The accused caused a ruckus in my house for about an hour, and after that, we fled away from our house in order to save ourselves. Now your lordship comes. The above accused, along with others, bought 3 JCBs and demolished our houses and poultry farm, and also torn apart from some of the chicks and threatened us of similar consequences if we filed any complaint in the police station. When they demolished our house, we repeatedly tried to restrict them but failed. Now, your lordship kindly see, a civil proceeding is going on for our land situated in village so-and-so by Dag number 310 and 320. And Patta number 152, despite pendency of the petition under section 163 BNS, before the landed adjudicant magistrate, the accused looted and demolished our house, plants, and polluted the water of our fishery in broad daylight. Now kindly come to page 19, my lord. 19 and 23. 19 is sale deed, my lord, page 19. Sale deed is dated, my lord, 14/9/23. Your lordship got it, my lord. Sale deed. And kindly have a look to page 23 schedule, my lord. Page 23. Page 23, my lord. Bottom. Part of land covered by new Dag number 310 and 320. FIR. Same Dag in the FIR also, my lord. So this is, we have purchased. Mutation is also done, my lord. Your lordship will find page 32. page 32, and your lordship will have the relevant portion is page, my lord, 44. Relevant in our name mutation took place, my lord, 44. The right side, my lord, barnacular portion I am giving, man. 44. My lord, second paragraph, right side, Chokko Adhikari 31123, your lordship. Your lordship got it, man. 31123, my lord, dark number 320, your lordship will find. That's FIR mutation in our name. Then next, bottom 41123, your lordship, dark number 30310. So we have already taken possession mutation, and so far the proceedings concerned, your lordship, kindly see last page, my lord. The proceeding which they have mentioned, that is the pendency of this, my lord, we have demolished the house. Now kindly see page 58. The same proceeding. This is filed by the petitioners, your lordship Jasimuddin, against my lord father of the informant. 2725. Peruse the complaint petition along with an affidavit submitted by Jasimuddin present petitioners, my lord. As per the petition of the first party, the second party has been trying to forcefully and illegally occupy the land of the first party. It appears that there is an apprehension of serious breach of peace and disturbance of public tranquility by the locality as the second party members are trying to grab the land as mentioned in the complaint petition. I am also satisfied that there is sufficient ground to draw up a proceeding under section 163 BNS. Therefore, I so and so do hereby draw up a proceeding under section 3 so and so stating the so and so. Now, what in the FIR says, again, just I take to one. The FIR says there is a pendency of this proceeding. We have done it. Already it is there, standing order is there, my lord. So I think it is a case, my lord, your lordship may consider. Purely civil matters, my lord, nothing at all. All the document goes to show that we are in possession. That here.
My lord, senior counsel already read out, my lord. I like to one line, my lord, read out, my lord. Page 58, my lord.
Yes.
Letter part, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship. Therefore, I, series so and so additional district have do hereby draw up of proceeding under section 160 BS and order that the second parties are restrained from entering into the scheduled land.
Yes.
The order is passed ex parte considering the urgency
second
of the
party.
matter, my lord.
Right
But
place.
here is the, my lord,
Yes, first party.
first party, my lord.
Yes, yes.
But whatever they have done, my lord, it is not their as per order, my lord. It is it cannot demolish, my lord, house.
No. It is 163.
No, that is there. But
Yes,
from
said
the
in the
FIR itself-
pendency of this proceeding. We have another.
But from the FIR itself, my lord. They have demolished, my lord. But
Yes.
there is no such order for demolishing their.
No, we admit it is our house. So I am saying, yes, we have demolished it, man. To make any construction, man. My land, man, I have shown you the mutation there, everything in the possession is there, man. What is the harm of demolishing it, man? Title suit dismissed, my lord. Your lordship, title suit are dismissed. Page, my lord, your lordship, can see title suit, page 50.
And it was also ordered that verify the civil land and submit report who is the actual owner of the land.
Yes, that is the notice is
Then it-
restraining at pending.
No.
Page 50, your
In the
lordship.
order itself.
Page 50.
It was not.
Title suit dismissed, my lord.
But
was
it
not
is
disposed-
not dismissed on merit, in fact.
My lord, no, or even disposed of.
It is not
No,
disposed on merit.
But ultimately
pending
dismissed, no appeal has been filed, long back 24. Anyway, my lord, proceeding is pending. They have been restrained. Your lordship has seen. And in the FIR, they are saying during the pendency of that, my lord, we have demolished. We have taken for the 23, mutation also 24. And now we have started, my lord, constructing new house, my lord. What is wrong with this, my lord? What is the offense, my lord? And nothing happened, my lord. Neither only this.
Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate, assisted by Mr. M.A. Chaudhary, the counsel for the petitioner. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application, the section so and so in connection with so and so. It is submitted by Mr. Chaudhary, the learned senior advocate, that The present accused petitioners are innocent and they have not committed any such offense as alleged in the FI. It is a fact that the present accused, whose name is, under whose name the sale deed was executed?
Hello?
Out of petitioners, whose name the sale deed was executed?
One, two. Sale
One.
deed.
Sale-
One,
sale
two,
deed.
and FIR number three. One, two already arrested, one already arrested one.
No, no, the accused number 1, 2.
One, my dear Lord,
No, these are accused persons.
yeah, no, accused persons, madam, except one. Josim, Nazim, and Mukhtar. Mukhtar is arrested. And Josim is petition number 1, Nazim is petition number 2, my dear. Now 1 and 2, they are the owners along with one person already arrested. 3% purchase. From the father of the informant.
No, no, no. Sale deed was executed in favor of the some of the accused persons.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Submitted that.
Mutation also in their name.
The sale, the land which is land which is described in the schedule of the claim has already been purchased by some of the accused persons by executing sale deed in the year 2023, and thereafter the names of the purchaser has already mutated in the said land. It was when the land was purchased, they purchased the land along with a house, and thereafter they wanted to construct a new house, and in that view only, there was a they demolished the whole house, but to that effect, the petitioner, the informant side had approached the civil forum and lodged a civil suit of the title suit, but that has been already dismissed due to their default. And thereafter, the present petitioner also had to approach the learned executive magistrate by filing a petition under section 44 CRPC as well as 107 CRPC proceeding, which is still pending before the learned magistrate. Further, he submitted this is purely a case of a land dispute, and the land dispute, and it is the case of the petitioners that they had they tried to they demolished the earlier house with a view to construct a new house in the said disputed land. However, the petitioners are ready and willing to cooperate the IO in further investigation of this case if they are granted with some interim protection. Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, submitted in this regard that
The threatening part is there.
there may be a land dispute between the parties, but from the plain reading of the FI, it is seen that they also threatened the informant and his family members on the day of incident, and at the time when the case, you are saying that case is pending.
My lord, that is 163, my lord, that is pending, my lord, it is file written objection on the next date. That is fixed on.
Chain order is there, issuing
24/7.
notice, but the fix also.
24/7 it is fixed.
During dependency of before the executive magistrate, before the petition,
144.
before dependency of the incident is last one item. Incident and family members on the day of incident, and tried to occupy the land by demolishing the houses during dependency of the petition before the learned magistrate filed under section 144 CRPC. In view of this, accordingly, Mr. Sharma submitted that the CD may reveal the actual fact of the case and accordingly insisted to call for the case diary. Next, we're hearing the submission made by the counsel for both sides. It is found that there's a land dispute between the parties, and the cases are still pending between the parties. However, considering the other aspects of the case, I find that the petitioners may be given an opportunity to appear before the IO and to record their statements accordingly. In view of this, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim pre-arrest bail till receipt of the case diary, so and so stands. Okay, you'll be under interim.
26th August.
26th August. All right.
I think 26.
Yes, this one.
My lord, two of the co-accused, my lord, already appear, my lord, approaches honorable court, my lord, and your lordship fixed on, my lord, 31st of this month, my lord. Therefore, my lord, CD may be confirmed, I am not paying intent right now, my lord. But
That may be taken up.
along with my lord, 2261 BA, my lord.
31st of both case হৈ যাব। অলপমান প্লিজ কমাই দিব দিব এনেকে হলে নোৱাৰি নহয় কৰিবৰ কাৰণে। Yes, BA number
BA number 2261,
2261
my lord, 25,
on 31st.
31st.
CDB call for list the matter along with BA number 2261 of 2025 on 31/07/2020.
Diploma.
Yes, Mr. Yes.
Lordship, this is an application for anticipated bail, but there is no FIR in this case. So report may be required to be called for. That's it. But my request is, my submission is that the petitioner number one is a school teacher and petitioner number two is his father. That is aged 76 years. So we apprehend that the wife of the petitioner who left about 10-12 days ago from the house of the petitioner number one. So she may file an FIR and a case under section 498A or 85 of the BNS may be registered, for which the police.
Have you received any 41 notice? And
No, we have not received any 41 notice, but police has been harassing us, police has been searching us. Therefore, we have filed this application. Only my submission is that a short date may be fixed for a report from the police whether the case is registered.
Yes, Bosha, you can make an.
If my lord in the order that is reflected, if my lord registered, then call for the case diary also. Because my lord here, that is the FIR is not annexed, my lord. But my
No,
lord,
unless
we
it's
have
not,
to-
there.
Yes, but my lord here, whenever my lord may see that is the submission made by the petitioner, para 4, 5 and para 8, my lord. They have an idea that such kind of, even they, my lord, submitted some section also regarding all these things. So my lord, maybe there may be a azahar, my lord. So my lord, let my lord, we will take a report, my lord. In the same time, my lord, if it is reflected, if it is, there is a case, in the same way, my lord, that CGP will also call for. It's up to the court, lord. Or my lord,
But-
only report.
At this stage, I think this report, because if suppose FIR is, if you get the FIR, suppose, on the contents of the FIR, they may be hard also. Maybe for periods, maybe not be for periods, whatever. So at this stage, let the CDB call for. Because there are some incidents, sometimes it happens that the complaint may be there. But subsequently, police may or may not register also case. Considering the other circumstances of this case also, that's why we just call for the report at this stage.
I did, my lord.
Oh, sure. Heard Mr. Darakulla, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. K. Bosha, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. This is an application filed under section 482 BNSS seeking pre-arrest bail. Pre-arrest bail in a case which may be registered under the Gurumari PS. It is submitted by Mr. Ulla that that there is an apprehension that the wife of the petition number 1 may lodge a complaint before the police station under the allegation of any so you're saying
Non-bailable.
non-bailable,
Any non-bailable
any
offense.
non-bailable offense and a non-bailable offense, full stop. In view of this, the Mr. Sharma, the learned additional PP, is hereby asked to call for a report from Gorumari Police Station as to whether any FIR has been instituted or closed against these two petitioners in the said police station or not. Mr. Busho will make communication with the IO in that regard to attend to procure the report of the sort. The copy of the order also may be provided to the learned additional PP to do the needful. When it can be listed?
Gorumari, Kamrup, my lord, short date, my lord. 25th, my lord.
25th is Friday?
Oh, my lord, Friday or my lord.
Okay, 25.
20.
We're giving a very short date. We'll
Okay.
try to get it.
Item 28.
Yes, Mr. Hall.
This is also a similar case. There is also no FIR. And the police has been searching and harassing the petitioner. Here is only one petitioner. Our apprehension is that I had entered some with agreement for selling one khas land, and there was some sort of transactions also. And thereafter, the purchaser could not pay the money within the within the stipulated period for which the sale then took place. And that was a khas land, government land. Only the possession, selling of this handing over of the possession of the land is concerned. But we apprehend that he may file any FIR before Gorsuk PS, for which Gorsuk PS has been searching me, and it is a purely land dispute in our submission. So we apprehend, and we, in spite of our all effort, we are not finding anything about the registration of the case. That's why we are taking this.
Why don't you talk with the other side, but why, what is the reason why this, as per the agreement, the sale could not be there also can be completed?
We had already returned the other amount also, because within 6 months he is to pay the remaining amount. Because for about more than almost 1 year he could not pay the amount, so we had returned the amount also. Some amount is required to be returned, but probably for that reason he may file FIR. That is our apprehension. The report may be called for in this case. But any case is registered.
Order heard Mr. Darakula, the learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional VP, appearing on behalf of said respondent. This is the same order. This is so and so, so and so. Apprehending arrest. In connection with any case to be registered, to be registered under Gorsuk PS. It is submitted by Mr. Ulla that a khas land was, there was an agreement for sale of a khas land, and to that effect, the other side had paid some amount of money to the petitioner, but due to some reasons, the sale could not be executed, and they have already returned a portion of the money, advance money. But there is an apprehension that any case may be lodged against the present petitioner due to non-fulfillment of the agreement terms or not returning the entire amount which was taken as an advance at the time of agreement. Same order, in view of this, Mr. Busho will so and so, same order. When it can be? Same date, I don't know whether it can be, because not many cases have been fixed, in fact. Paribo, no, sir, no, he not possible.
Then my lord, thereafter next week, any day? Next week or any day? Or
Next week, sab pare jodi kauk karu ki kom.
Or after 15th, my lord.
Public.
আপনি হেৰি করুন, খবৰ দিব যে ইয়াত পানী বহুত harassment কৰে. So we don't have any alternative, so we had to give some dates. So considering the dates provided by us, তেওঁলোকে list এখন যাতে prepare কৰে. কারণ আমি আমি যখন ডিস্ট্রাই করছি কারণ যদি আরো 50টা লিখত দুটা করে আমার কারণ দিগদার হয়ে যায় কব মিলাই দিব কাৰণে আপোনালোকে মিলাই চাব দিব আৰু সেই ফিক্স মেটাৰ প্ৰায় থাকিলেই ভাল আৰু অলপমান দি দিয়ে দিব কিন্তু বেছি দিলে আল্টিমেটলি দিগদাৰ হৈ যায় আকৌ ডেফাৰ হৈ গ'লে আকৌ থাকিব আৰু আজি আপুনি অৰ্ডাৰ দেখিছোঁ চব ইচ এণ্ড এভৰি কেছ দেৰ ইজ এ চাবমিশ্যন চব ৰেকৰ্ড কৰিব লাগে কেতিয়া চাব কেতিয়া কৰিব It is each. So very much. Hey, নহলে মই ৰিপৰ্ট কৰিম বুলি ক'লে যে মোক ইনফৰমেশ্যনৰ কাৰণে ইয়াত দৰকাৰ নাই নো নিড টু কাম বিফোৰ দ্য হেৰি কোৰ্ট বা আমাক এপ্ৰ'চ কৰিব নালাগে উইল ইনফৰ্ম দি মেটাৰ টু দি চিফ দ্যাটছ অল
Item 29.
বিচৰা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে ভাল
Agreed, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, it's an anticipatory bail application. Your Lordship may come to page number 10, translate copy of the FIR, Your Lordship. May I read it, Your Lordship? It is humbly submitted that the above named accused established a love relationship with me at first and thereafter, on the pretext of love, spent intimate moments with me and also spent intimate moments with me on video calls. When I pressurized him about marriage, he recorded our intimate moments and kept objectionable photos. And whenever I asked him about marriage, he threatened me. Thereafter, he shared the photos and videos with others through phone number so and so and physically and mentally harassed me. This is the allegation, Your Lordship, against the accused petitioner. Your Lordship, it is an admitted fact that the accused petitioner and the informant were in a romantic relationship. However, Your Lordship, the relationship was fully consensual. Your Lordship, the petitioner had every intention to marry her, Your Lordship. However, later he found out that the informant was in a relationship with another man. Therefore, he broke up with her, Your Lordship. The informant could not cope up with the breakup, and therefore she vindictively lodged this instant malicious FIR, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
that's okay. Well, they had a romantic relationship.
Yes.
Even if there is any physical relationship, it was consensual. That is understood.
Yes, Your
But the question, the later part, what do your explanation?
Your Lordship, the FIR has been registered under
No. What is the explanation on the later part of the this FIR?
Which part?
Viral all the objectionable videos and photos.
Yes,
That
Your
regard,
Lordship,
what do you want to submit?
I mean, I'm coming to that point, Your Lordship. After preliminary investigation, the FIR has been registered under two sections, Your Lordship. That is 77 and 81 of BNS, Your Lordship. BNS, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, 77 is itself bailable in nature, Your Lordship. And if we come to section 81 of BNS, Your Lordship, it says The definition of the section is a person by deceit causes a woman to believe that she was married to that person and thereby induce her to cohabitate with him. Now, from the FIR, it is apparent that the informant was not under the impression that she was married to the accused person, your lordship, accused informant, accused petitioner, your lordship. Therefore, this section does not attract. Now, there are only two sections. One is bailable and other does not attributable to the accused petitioner, your lordship. Therefore, at least interim protection may be granted.
Why in this case is not raised at any other, the IT sections are not there?
Yeah, my lord, if edit letter part, my lord, it's not known, but my lord, from the my lord.
No, the IT sections are not
That is
here.
not edit, my lord. That
Not
is
edit.
77 and 81, my lord.
Lordship,
But
after
my lord,
preliminary-
it is to be edit, my lord, because it is, they have stated in the, my lord, that is the mobile phone number is also there, my lord. Very specifically stated regarding that is transmission of those videos and all these things.
After preliminary investigation, your lordship, nothing has been found. Therefore, only these two sections has been added, your lordship.
But the question is whether those photographs and these videos were made viral or not, that is not. Otherwise, there's a statement in the FIR itself that those photos were made viral or shared with some others.
Yes.
As per the FIR.
As per the FIR. The vernacular part, my lord, that is মই তাক বিয়া কৰাৰ হেঁচা দিয়াত মোৰ অজানিতে অন্তৰংগ মুহূৰ্তবোৰৰ ভিডিঅ' কৰি ৰাখে আৰু আপত্তিজনক ফটোবোৰ ৰাখি বিয়াৰ কথা ক'লে ভাবুকি দিয়াৰ পিছত ইমান মোবাইল নাম্বাৰ বিভিন্ন জনলৈ ফটো ভিডিঅ' পঠিয়াই ভাইৰেল কৰে. That is very specific.
Specific, but the case is not raised.
From the FIR, my lord, it is only two sections, my lord, come out, only 77 and 81.
And obviously he submitted rightly that 81 doesn't. There's no such kind of belief that she is a married wife of Swens. You are Mr.
S. Rahman.
S. Rahman.
Yes, your lordship.
Heard Mr. S. Rahman, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. K. Boshan, the learned additional people appearing on behalf of state respondent. Okay, this is an application under section so and so in connection with so and so. Strong. Considering the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and the statement made in the FIR, I find it a fit case to extend the privilege of interim periods to bail the present petition till the receipt of the case taken. Okay, will be under interim protection.
Yes, highly authorized.
When it can.
My lord, any date, my lord. My lord, 19th of August, my lord.
19th of August.
As per party concern, your lordship, so
Party concern?
as per petitioner concern, your lordship. So one case, police has frequently visiting his house and arrested to them. So in this regard,
Oh,
so
we are not on actual fact now. We are just simply saying that what is your apprehension? Why you are apprehending arrest? Or if
apprehending,
there is any apprehension that there may be a case.
yes, yes. So apprehending, your lordship, the police called the petition number 3 in this present petitioner over telephone to visit the police station, and accordingly the petition number 3 appeared
Visited.
Kasumara police station, and thereafter the police of Ayo showed a written Azahar, which is filed by
Oh, Azhar is already there.
yes, written Azahar, which was filed by the informant, that is Asghar Ali. So
Asghar Ali.
Asghar Ali. And accordingly, the police is visited the house of the petitioners and appeared before this police station. So in this regard, the petitioners is apprehending. So my humble submission is this,
So FIR is already there. Now FIR is already there as per you.
but not registered. Yeah, your lords. So in this regard, they inquired about this FIR before the CGM Borpata, your lords. Before the CGM Borpata, but no certified copy at all has not been found. So in this regard, police is frequently visiting the house and threatened to pressurize to appear. If they dare not be appear, then he will be arrested, your lordship. So in the meantime,
How can you say now?
So
On
my
one hand, you are saying that FIR is not registered, na? So at best, we can call for a report. We don't have any other alternative.
so in this case, your lordship, report may be called for whether but in this case, the victim is
So-called
about
victim.
18 years old. So
No, we don't know anything, whether
Everything-
she is 18 years, say
Yes,
15 years, minor. This is your case.
yes,
But their case is that she is a minor.
yes.
Then,
So
then it's
report-
a case of POXO, etc.
So
How
report-
can we? Maybe right now from your submission, we can just somehow, I don't know, there may be a way, but it may be a case of POXO.
Supplementary for this motion AB item number 53.
May I please, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Lordship, kindly have a look the order dated last order, my lord. Your Lordship was pleased to call for the report from them, my lord. Police is visiting the house without restitution of the FIR, my lord, because I filed a case against some persons, my lord.
Yes. Here, I have talked to OC concern also, my lord. He will submit report after some time, my lord.
My lord, can it be tomorrow, my lord?
Then, my lord.
Tomorrow for motion.
Supplementary.
কালি কৰা তো কোনে
Oh, yeah, he will be-
মই আৰু নৰখো না মই যাম ক'ৰবাত tomorrow, my lord. I have to go somewhere else.
Next tomorrow is 23rd. Okay.
Lordship.
Oh.
54.
Your Lordship, similar, Your Lordship, in the last order, Your Lordship, the report was for Your Lordship.
Yes, we're looking after this.
My lord, here. And case registered, my lord.
Already registered.
Case registered, my lord. Case number is 133 of 25.
133 oblique
25.
25.
Under section 69 CMS.
39 under section
69.
69.
Yes.
69 was this under apprehension of marriage rape, I think. Na?
69.
And copy of FIR, can it be called for now?
Right. The sexual intercourse by employing deceitful means.
Yes. Then what to do? Let
My
the
lord,
FIR be CDB.
call for.
Can be protected in Your Lordship, CD may be called for.
It's not a case of protection. We are calling, but still somehow we are not disposing the matter. Otherwise, so it may be disposed of. That is not a case of anticipatory and that can be
Right.
disposed of. But let the FIR contents of the FIR be seen. What is there in the FIR? That's why we are calling for the FIR. CD, do you think that there will be any materials in the CD till date?
My lord, I have telephonically received
If
report.
the statement of the victim, etc. are recorded, then can CD may be called for. Heard MS S. Nazdin, the learned counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Next, it is submitted by Mr. Sharma that on his telephonic conversation of that promised the telephonic message from the IO of the concerned police station. It is reported that FIR has been registered as referred as 133. 133. FIR is registered as what PS it Hatigaon PS case number. Hatigaon PS case number 133 of 2025 under section 69 of the BNS. Let the CD along with the copy of the FIR along with the CD be called for accordingly. When it can be listed.
5th of August.
Short date maybe.
Don't have short date. It's very, very problematic for us. 5th of August. 5/8.
Obligatory.
Wait, please, your lordship.
My lord, here is also report was called for, my lord, it was awaiting, my lord. I must
Report is
talk to OC
awaited.
concern, my lord. And he
The
is
report is
verifying.
still awaited.
Awaited.
I'm going to report on.
They could not collect the report till date. Have not.
Fine. Day after tomorrow, man.
Day after.
Day after.
Day after tomorrow is a Thursday. What? 24th. 24th. Okay, 24th. Sir. This one 24th. Sir.
Regulars, hearing BA item number 32.
But please, Your Lordship. Here we have received this scanned copy of the TCR. TCR has been listed.
Then after some time, Lordship. PS logo will appear in this matter.
PS logo.
Lordship.
Oh, he has gone through. Okay. एक मिनट
My one submission, Lordship, and kindly come to page number 4.
No, we are not hearing him. Mr. Locker is coming. Just for timing.
Timing again, item number 30.
13.
One old case is pending against the person. As per my instruction, 301/2020, one case is pending against the petitioner. My prayer before then
Old case. Old case
2020.
means
2020.
2020 matter.
20 matter.
Why if 2020 matter were you not aware of?
Otherwise, your lordship may kindly peruse page 17, my lord. So, my lord, some of the allegations against against the present petitioner, my lord. Probably at that point of time, the writ petition was also filed, my lord.
No, my lord, what has happened, my lord? I am the academic in charge of a, my lord, junior college. Now, my lord, an allegation has been leveled against me that, my lord, during the course of provincialization of the service of an assistant teacher of the said college, I have manipulated and manufactured the teacher attendance register, my lord. In fact, that is totally an incorrect, my lord, allegation which has been inquired upon by the director of the secondary education, my lord. Now, during the course of the, my lord, investigation, the director, although frame charge, DP has been initiated, and, my lord, an instruction has also been given to the IS to lodge a criminal case against the petitioner. Now, that IS has filed a fresh FIR or not before the police for arising out of these allegations, my lord, that I am not aware. Therefore, my lord, on 17/6/2025, I had been summoned by the, my lord, police of the Lahori Ghat police station to come and appear. Now, my lord, when I asked for the case records, my lord, that in which case I am required to appear, no notice, nothing had been furnished, my lord. So therefore, my lord, finding no alternative, I have come before my lordships, my lord, that some interim protection or if any case is there, my lord, I should be provided. Now, my learned friend has said that it is a case of 2020. This is no way connected with the
That is my
present. set of
verbal
allegations.
instruction, my lord, from the, so otherwise, my lord, already regarding some of the allegations, already petitioner is aware, my lord, that some of the allegations earlier is there, my lord.
No, he is saying that to that effect, one DP is already
Yes,
initiated.
all initiated on the, yes.
And that's a part, but you are not aware as to whether that IS has
No, my lord,
lodged any
whether the inspector of school of Morigaon district circle has filed an FIR following the instruction of the director or not, my lord, that I am not aware, my lord. And even I have not been informed by the police of Lahori Ghat police also, my lord. That's why, my lord, a written report from the police station is required, my lord, if I am not wrong, my lord. Now, as with all respect, I am not doubting my learned friend's submission.
No, no, but if
My
it is of 2020,
My-
your this case where your DP was initiated,
My lord.
suppose, that is of the matter is of which year now?
2025, my lord, may kindly just.
2025 only.
Yes, yes, my lord, may kindly turn one page only, my lord. The proceeding which has been initiated, my lord, is dated. My lord, 20/03/2025, my lord, kindly turn to page 14, my lord, the letter digitally signed by the director, my lord. Page 14, my lord, it is dated 20/03/2025.
Hmm.
So, my lord, if that old case is pending and if I am warranted to appear before in connection with the old case, obviously, my lord,
Is
I.
there any further
Then, my lord, I will have to give further instruction, written instruction, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, as per now my verbal instruction is that against the petitioner, one old, that is 301/2020 is pending. And my lord.
301?
Yeah, 301/2020, my lord.
Even section, Kimal.
Sections, we have not, only the instruction is the case number only, my lord.
My lord, police should not harass me, my lord. I am a law-abiding citizen, my lord. Without any case.
Then your lordship may 301/2020.
The 301/2020 sections you have provided? No.
No. Otherwise, my lord, if after, my lord, that is, my lord, inquiry, if after submission of the inquiry report, if there is any instruction to lodge any FIR against the present petitioner, which my lord.
But till date, there may be a old case pending, whatever,
Yes.
but that is of 2020, not of 2025.
How, my lord, you know, kindly mention this case number, and if any, my lord, thereafter, my lord, as per the apprehension of the petitioner, if any fresh case, my lord, registered, then I will have to. Otherwise, my lord, from the computer, my lord, the concerned OC has said, my lord, and after checking the number and that against the present petitioner, this case number is there in the police station.
More doubt, more number,
Naam and Fazlur Rahman, son of so and so, everything. I in fact asked whether the name and it is a father's name, everything is, my lord. Then, my lord, I will.
My lord, may I pray, my lord? My lord, all these circumstances can be resolved, my lord, if a written report comes before my lordships, my lord. That can be made a part of the record, my lord. A short date may kindly be given, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Vian, the learned counsel for the petition, also heard Mr. P. Waterford, the learned additional people, appearing on behalf of state respondent. First of all, it is submitted by Mr. Waterford that over telephonic information, it is stated by the from the concerned police station that one, all FIR is lodged against the present petitioner, which was registered as. This is of which police station?
Lahori Ghat police station.
Lahori Ghat police station, case number 301/2020. Full stop. Barbary, yes. But in that context, Mr. Bhuyan, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that the present incident or allegation is of 2020-25, and and accordingly he submitted and a detailed written report may be called for from the OC of the concerned police station full stop. In view of this, let a detailed report be called for from the Lahorighat police station as to whether any case has been lodged against the present petitioner. Present petitioner, present petitioner, গোটেইখিনি report to দিব আৰু no? Or not?
Apart from Milord, case number 30.
Apart from the Lahorighat PS case number 301/2020. Short date to facing some problem with short date.
Next is a copy of this order may kindly be served.
Copy of the
or
order
not.
may be served to the Lanet Additional PP to do the needful. So, কিবা আছে যদি আছে নাই যদি তো নাই আৰু 28.
Malo. Oblige, Milord.
28 no, on 29 or 30 28 it's Monday, it would be difficult because
Difficult, maybe difficult. Okay.
30
30. Okay. 30.
Oblige.
Really, I think the item number 33 and 34.
May I please the option? My lord, today is the second date for calling of the case study, my lord, and I'm behind the buck for the on 16/6/2025.
Just a second, we have received the case diary here or no?
Hello? And the casual
Why,
case is
what is the issue? Why it has not been sent?
yes. And moreover, my lord, in this case, I personally appeared, my lord, and I'm on my appearance. When I received the notice, I personally appeared. They arrested me on 16/6/2025, my lord. And after 3 days, my lord, even police authority prayed for judicial custody, my lord. After 3 days, my lord. So for the last 36 days, I'm behind in the jail authority, my lord. Further detention at all required or not, my lord. So may I pray only, my lord, short date may be fixed, my lord, so that I may be released at the earliest.
31.
30 too long, my lord.
31.
31. 31. I think 130. Can it be on 29, my lord? Can it be on 29? Please. 29 can
You're
it be?
facing some problem, 29.
29.
Then on 30, my lord. 30.
29, okay, 29. But 29 will it reach? No, will it reach?
It would be convenient if 30 minutes 30.
30.
Okay, my lord.
From which police station?
Dekhiajuli.
Dekhiajuli. Try to get it.
Yes, my lord. But in case if my lord, all this start occasion fail, our matter may be hard and merit, my lord. Deeply oppressed.
We do it at the same order, heard Mr. P.K. Dekha, the learned counsel for the petitioners, and also heard Mr. P. Botako, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Post of next Friday, it is submitted by Mr. Botako that CD not received. In that context, Mr. Dekha raised objection and submitted that this is the what occasion? Third occasion. This is the third occasion where the CD is not received. And accordingly, he submitted, prayed for a short date. Let the issue reminder directing the IO to furnish the case diary on or before the next date of listing. List accordingly on 30.
Yes, my lord, my learned friends may be recorded on next item.
Oh, acha. You are 30?
34 year.
Oh, both 33 and more. I thought Mr. Dekha is appearing in both the matter.
No, in 33 only.
Oh, yes, 30.
Same, my lord. Say 30.
Same order.
Yes, my
34. MSS Nazdin is appearing. Separate order. Okay.
Deeply oppressed.
Oh.
35.
35 also, my lord. CD not received.
But I'm in custody since 5th of June, my lord. And if my lord reads the FIR, my lord, the allegation is someone committed suicide. And the allegation against me is that the husband of that lady who committed suicide had some relationship with me. That is the accusation. My lord, is in my humble submission, since 5th of June, she is in custody. And
Yes, what happened? He is in 5th of June since.
Should be any short date, my lord, I'll try to get it from, otherwise.
It is again from which police station?
Tinsukia, my lord.
Kakopata.
Yes.
Then to within 31st, it may not reach also, I don't think. Maybe on 4th?
Yes.
Maybe on 4th. Because 30, 31, I don't know. If you say that it may reach, then we can pass with the order because we have only one date, that is 29 is can or be 30. 31, most of the matters have been there. So if it is not possible on to get the case diary by 29 or 30, make it on 24th of August. Otherwise, again, it will be
One,
applicable.
one.
One though have some personal
Oh,
problem.
yes. Then on
Man, I'm
fifth or
listing
fifth of-
cases,
on
but
fifth of August.
list number some matters have been
Fifth
listed.
of- fifth
But
of-
anyway, 5th of
Fifth of
August.
August.
5th of August. একে same order করিব. I was directed to furnish the case diary on or before the next date of listing without full. List accordingly on 5th of August. Mr. P.D. Nair, no? Okay.
Deeply offensive.
46.
And Mr. P.D. Nair করব.
Made.
Yes.
This is a regular bill application.
Yes,
Petitioner
that's the
is in
second
the.
wherein we have received here. Yes, I received.
Today is 87 days out of 90 days, my lord. So, my lord, allegation is an bad comment in the Facebook, my lord. That is the allegation.
Very serious allegation, not only
Uh,
bad comments, my lord, his comments, my lord, affect entire nation, my lord. 87, my lord. This is the comment, my lord. He in fact admitted, my lord, and from his mobile, my lord, in a Facebook comment, he replied.
That is why 87 days, my lord. I have got the lesson, my lord. I will appear.
Very serious comment.
Yes.
So, but now he is saying that he is
Yes.
87 days. Is there
No.
any probability of furnishing any?
Within the 3 days, my lord, it would be difficult, my lord. Otherwise,
Is there any prayer for extension is also not applicable here, I think. no?
yes, no.
Statutory is, as per my list is only 90 days.
90 days, my lord,
90 days.
I don't know, I have committed the offense, but my lord, humble prayer is that 3 days
This is
time
not-
is may be considered, my lord. Only 3 days time may be considered on any condition. My lord, I will appear each and every time as and when
Is
required.
there any communication from the IO, Mr. Waterford, regarding filing of the charges within
Yes,
2-3
yes.
days?
Your lordship may kindly fix it on, my lord, on 25th Friday, I will get the instruction. And in the meantime.
Because otherwise a very serious
Yes,
thing. sir.
otherwise he is actually may not. I will also have to, my lord. Your lordship may fix it on 25th, on that day, my
You
lord.
say such a type
My lord,
of.
my submission is that
submit as
only
kind of
that
very-
day will be 90 days complete. My lord, only 3 days time. Allegation is bad, my lord. There is a offense, my lord.
This is very
Serious
provocating
allegation.
and what
Serious
kind of
allegation.
message you have?
My lord, I will have to face the trial. Only 3 days time may be considered. After 2 days, my lord, will be completed.
Different thing.
On 25th.
Only after 2 days time, my lord. 2 days time, my lord.
21st, will be 90 days?
Yes.
That is why, my lord, 2 days, my lord, at least only 3 days time may be
Otherwise, we
considered.
don't have anything to give you the bail. Allegation is so serious, you committed so and
He in
this
fact
kind of.
admitted, my lord, from his mobile, my lord, those,
Hmm.
otherwise identity or everything.
At the time of arrest of one MLA, no?
Yes.
Or you
Well-
can see 3 days. I don't know whether within 3 days may be possible. I don't know, may not be
I
also.
will try to get it, my lord. Otherwise, on Friday, my lord, if CD search sheet not filed, then.
So far, Sasir is concerned, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, maybe fixed, they will obtain instruction. my lord.
Okay, day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Day after tomorrow is it?
Yes.
24th? 24th. Okay.
Right.
We are listing it on 24th. List on 24th. Keep the retain the case date till next date of listing. List on 24th. How such kind of Facebook post can be given
Yes, ma'am.
by a person? I don't know. You are staying here, then again this kind of
They're
thing.
actually enemy inside our country, my lord.
Yes.
Type of comment what they have made, what he has made, my lord.
Hmm.
He's like my lord, enemy is staying inside, my lord.
Yes, obviously, one can, if one can go by
Yes.
this. Then obviously, after the Pahalgam, if you say this kind of Facebook post, if you given,
The offense is
then
there.
what impression will be there?
He has committed the offense, and he'll have
And
to.
this-
Like this,
Yes.
better to live in an enemy country than not to stay here. Okay. They're fixing it on 24.
Obliged.
38.
Yes.
38, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
It's 7-day lordship.
Case I not received.
No, it's 7-day.
Otherwise, you are on interim.
Earlier
Interim
case-
appeared and
earlier
cooperating.
case diary received, my lord. Done for
Your statement was not available, I think. that's
Earlier
why
not recorded, but subsequently recorded.
Subsequently, as per your information, recorded.
Recorded and cooperating, lordship. This is the 7-day.
Yes, what to say, Bhattakur? He is saying this is the 7-day. They have not
7.
received, no?
this for up to.
Otherwise, they are cooperating, lordship.
Otherwise,
Cooperating, nothing to be recorded.
you were granted with the interim on 7/4.
7-4, then appeared, subsequently appeared.
Yes, Bhattakur, is there any explanation? Otherwise, it will be what to say? How can you say it's for 7 days? How can you say 7 days?
From the very beginning, not after receiving, not 7 days. Lordship.
Oh, you were considering those aspects forcefully, you were granted with the interim.
Lordship.
Interim was on 7/4, and then one order is there on 9/5, and then 29/5, and
Then today,
26, and
Lord.
today. Yes, 4 dates have already gone.
After that.
Okay, you are on interim. Let us see one more time. City not received, issue reminder. Directing the investigating officer to furnish the case diary on or before the next date of listing without fail. When it can be listed, what up?
On my lord, 29/8, my lord.
29/8. List on 29/8/2025. Interim be extended till next date of listing. Okay, your interim will be extended.
Lordship. 39.
Yes, 39. What is the
39
position?
charge sheet submitted, my lord.
In this matter.
Yeah, here also you were on interim.
Interim and appeared, lordship. Statement.
No, whatever you were on interim.
Lordship.
Okay. Heard Mr. M.K. Hussain, the learned counsel for the petition, and also heard Mr. P. Bhattakur, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted next, right? It is submitted by Mr. Bhattakur. That case has already been charged sheeted by CS number
CS number 99/25.
99/25.
625.
2625. 99/25 dated 2625. 2625. In that context, Mr. Hussain, the learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted that after obtaining the order of interim pre-arrest bail, they have already appeared and cooperated in the investigation. However, considering the fact that case has already been charged sheeted, the petitioner is hereby directed to appear before the learned trial court below with an appropriate application for bail, which may be considered in accordance with law. The petitioner, no, within 15 days, really, within 15 days, about 15 days. And till then, the interim granted to the petitioner, the date 26/3/2025 is hereby extended till 15 days. Mirai দিব তাতে, কিবা line 2 ফালি ফালি হৈছে চাগে. How many petitions? Only one petition?
One petition.
Right.
Please, your lordship. Herein too, I am on interim, my lord, and I have appeared.
In this case also, my lord, search sheet submitted.
Same order ho, since it's submitted, you are otherwise entry.
Yes.
Same order, agote appear koise and
CS
provided
number?
in the investigation. Yes, CS number
25/25.
25/25,
28/3/20.
28/3/25. You are Mr. SD.
My lord.
SD. Hard Mr. SD, same order. Okay, it will be disposed of. You appear before the London Trial Court below with a regular application for bail. And up to 15 days, your interim, we are going to extend your interim.
Much obliged.
10/42.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, FIR is on page 8. May I get FIR lordship?
No, what is the position? We have received the case diary here. FI is at page?
Page 8, lordship. Lordship, here the allegation is not any lordship. With due respect, I beg to state the above mentioned accused is my brother-in-law in relation. My husband is a driver. The accused person came in home between so and so date, and by taking attention, he stole and raped me. Lordship, means that she is a married man. She is a married woman, lordship, and she is giving allegation, and she is my sister-in-law, lordship. So, lordship, there is an allegation of rape, lordship, but my abatement is there. Para number 9, 9. That the allegation is a, I'm on that allegation is the residence where it is situated. He is a married woman, lordship. If he is not, he is saying that if it is rape, she could have raised voice, lordship. 5, 6, their allegation is a
10/46.
Ladies. Yes, sir, can you say Alexa on is there? Sorry.
We have received the case diary, madam.
There is the main allegation is there in the from case number 2.
Huh?
Case number 2 is the main allegation. And
Accused
case
number
1,
2.
petition number 2, all allegations are maximum not the accused
Brought against accused number 2.
And petition number 1 is the husband, 3 and 4 father and mother of the petition number
No,
1.
here are 4 petitioners.
4.
Out of which, who is the husband?
Petition number 1 milord.
1 is the husband.
Husband.
2, 3 are the mother-in-law, father-in-law.
2 milord, brother-in-law, and 3 and 4 mother-in-law, father-in-law of the informant.
Acha.
And they have been married milord about 14 years ago, and now they have milord 2 sons, 2 daughters, 1 son, 1 daughter milord. Son is about 5 years and daughter is 11 years. They have mentioned the Azhar itself. So now allegation has come from the informant that the accused number 1, petition number 1 is the husband. She is demanding some money from her home, but not able to bring. And accused number 2, petition number 2 milord, there are some other allegations regarding milord.
What the case was registered under?
Registered under section law section milord. Under section 118, voluntary injury, harm milord. Section 85, husband and wife relationship cruelty. 62, attempt to commit offense. 64 milord, rape by, that is actually not in this, rape by police, but he is not in
Rape by?
Rape by police in this case, but he is not in this case, not fit.
No, whatever. 64/2 is, what is the 64/2? That's what I'm asking.
Yes, rape by police.
Rape by police?
Yes.
Rape by police?
I may not be correct answer. New.
Maybe authority may be there.
Punishment for rape, my lord, and
By-
there's
by-
no. Several persons are there, my lord. All,
that-
not
that
only
I-
the police person, my lord.
I am not, yes. But there is no rape. And Miller, again Miller, 109 Miller attempt to murder and 351 2 Miller criminal intimidation.
My lord, here 64/2, my lord. There are several persons named here, my lord. First of police officer, public servant, that definitions are there. Here is the F, my lord, being a relative or guardian, my lord. That is also here, my lord.
So, but against whom it was brought? Allegation of rape
Allegation
is
is
brought
against,
against
my lord,
whom?
his brother-in-law, my lord, Rohim Ali.
Oh,
Picture number-
brother-in-law.
Picture number 2, my lord.
But there is no allegation, not we have been there, but attempt or Miller, the signal was there from him, Miller. That is the allegation.
Signal?
Signal that giving some greediness to for
to commit rape, but there is no rape. I may read the Azhar Milot itself. And it Azhar is long Azhar Milot.
Not necessary, my lord. 183 statement is there, my lord. The victim, my lord.
Victim. And it was mob Milot, and during the course Milot, first Milot 1, 3, and 4, they were granted interim Milot, and they have been appeared in the police station. 2 was not granted bail Milot. Azhar Milot and Exer 1 in Western can be seen. And first of all, it was filed a complaint case, and it was then subsequently forwarded to the police station to investigate and register a case. Again, case is registered.
Yeah, Lordship was pleased to give interim protection to the petition number 1, 3, and 4. Only 2 left out, my lord, in the motion column, motion please, my lord. And after that, 1, 3, and 4 appeared before the IO statement recorded. But regarding the, my lord, petition number 2, my lord, some allegations are there, my lord, in 183 statement, my lord. He shown some guesses, my lord, and also attempt to commit rape, my lord. That person.
And there is some allegation is there. I must admit.
I'm being attempt, item 32.
Yes,
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 Lord, we
I-
have seen
I,
this.
I
Yes.
communicated with the OC concern also, but also till that no report has come.
No. 32, we are on 32.
32 also. On earlier occasion also there was a direction.
Acha.
32.
The direction was there.
There is a direction from the honorable court also that was to verify whether any other 50 section 50 notice is there in the record or not also by the pay officer. I communicated with the OC concern, but till that no, nothing has come out also.
No, but the question is that this case has already been charge sheeted, I think. So why can't we go by the record also?
Already record has received proceed.
But there was a query from the court that whether any
other.
So who will report this one?
That is the pay officer is there, Lordship. One officer of the from the police station who look after all the records and all in the court, Lordship. And he is appointed as a pay officer. And regarding this Soigaon PS, Lordship, I communicated with the Soigaon OC, Lordship. And
So why you communicated with the OC?
because Lordship,
Better to communicate that peri officer.
because,
Or...
Lordship, that person has to be appointed by the from the OC, PS, Lordship, Soigaon PS, Lordship. And it is the in that direction also, Lordship, it is stated, Lordship, order of itself, Lordship, that I have to communicate it through the OC concern. But Lordship,
Now only that order was passed on 25/6, and the last occasion the order was passed on 16/7.
that Lordship, that there is a notice is there, Lordship, section 50 notice is there, Lordship. When section 50 notice is already in the record, Lordship can dispose of the matter on the basis of that notice, Lordship. I have no objection.
But direction is there, no? So you make give some kind of report. Was there, was not there,
It's the same report.
or you can make submission that this. But I don't know how it will do.
In that case, Lordship, I will again try to. I will again contact the OC concern.
Because one senior court has passed the order coordinate bench to look after those issues. So that's why I directly don't want to make any interference. But
You can make Ali fix it on Friday, Lordship, then Lordship, I will try to.
it is not possible.
Then Lordship.
Court holds no case.
My one submission, Lordship, and can you put page number 40, Lordship, for a moment, Lordship, and part of a charge sheet, Lordship. And page number 40, last para, Lordship. Middle page, middle. So I do submit CS against the accused person, namely Noyan Gaba, and son of so and so, resident so and accused Bhumidhar Rava, son of so and so, Kamrup for the commission of offence under section 308 subsection 2, 108 and 35 PNS, and Akram Ali Lordship and so and the Kamrup for commission of offence 108 PNS Lordship. And otherwise Lordship 281 days in custody, and 108 is perhaps Lordship, it is against Akram Ali, not against us Lordship. Against us only 308, that is the extortion, and that is only 800 rupees, but not received by the deceased person Lordship, of the son of the informant Lordship, another person and another way Lordship, the phone pay received Lordship, and that allegation is only, and 281 days in custody Lordship, otherwise 308 is against us, and 108 abatement of suicide Lordship against the Akram Ali Lordship. But they are facing the trial Lordship, so my Lord.
It is arrested only because of that section 15 notice Lordship. If that section 15 notice, that ground was not taken, then this would not come Lordship. As because
Okay, then we'll do one thing. Though we're not supposed to fix any case, I mean, not any case, we have fixed already. But 1st of August, we have some personal issues. But still, we are fixing this one on 1st of August. And the last attempt will be there. And if it is supposed not there, then definitely we'll go by the case record and the submission made by the Mr. Pop. Because what I'm saying, because the order was passed by the coordinate bench. So without any sort of order, that should not be. That's why, because one observation is made. That is why only. Okay, Mr. Hawk, we are listing it on first. Let us see if any report comes or if anything can be provided by Mr. Locke.
Maybe Lordship elected the order. Otherwise, Lordship.
That is not required because Lordship, I will point that also.
Okay.
That is not.
We'll hear the matter. I can remember from the order itself.
An order is already
Okay,
there.
hearing heard Mr. F. The learned counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. B.S. Lockwood, the learned additional PP. So it is submitted by Mr. Lockwood that though he made communication with the investigating officer of the concerned police station, but till that the report could not be procured, and hence he sought for one more time. So sought for some more time. List the matter accordingly on 1st of so and so, and the endeavor shall be made to dispose of the matter on the basis of the TCR as had already been received.
Obliged, Lordship.
47.
My lord, here we have received a case diary, my lord, without the medical report, my lord. Some people are injured here, and moreover, in the last occasion, Lordship was pleased to give interim protection to petitioner number 19, 20, and 21. But their statements are also not available in the case diary, my lord. Lordship may call for up-to-date CD along with the medical report.
Only 19, 20, 21. How many as a whole? How many petitioners?
There are 23 petitions.
How many?
23, my lord.
23 petitions.
My lord.
So out of 23, 19, 20, 21 were provided.
My lord.
But as per your instruction, whether they have appeared before the IO?
Yes, my lord. They have appeared.
Statements were recorded. So your one submission is that their statements are not available and the medical report is not there. Because 1182 is there, no? There's a grievous heartache, I think.
1182 is there. And CD is up to 27.
27?
25, but interim was granted on 10/7.
Oh.
That is before now. I'm not up to date. My medical report and statement.
Call for a short date, my lord. My humble prayer, my lord. There are 18 years, 20 years students are also there, my lord. So short date may be fixed, my lord. That's my
We
respect.
don't have short date. That is the main issue. At best 7, 8 of August. Otherwise, we don't have.
Lordship may kindly peruse, my lord. Some 18 years are also there, boys.
I can understand.
20
Yes,
years.
it's already reflected in the orders also. Where from it can be seen that some are 14, 15 years also.
Lordship.
So if they are 14, 15 years, why are they approaching this?
14 years are not before this honorable court, my lord.
Only above 18 years are there, my lord.
Here,
Only
in
about
the
18
FIR
years.
itself, 29.
There are 29 if you.
But I don't know, but the application under section, here it is written. 482 BNSS 2020 has been filed by the petitioners, namely so and so, so and so, so and so, wherein in bracket, the age are also given by the coordinate bench. So therefore only I am saying that some are 11 years, 12 years, 13, 14. So if
29. 21%. But here petitioner is only 23. Perhaps they not left out.
not here, you say,
Order to
order to that. See the order. Only first order. Only. The age of all the petitions are given in the brackets.
Not is my lord. There my lord serial number.
Serial number.
Serial number. Like 1, 2,
Oh,
3, 4.
AQ serial number. Oh, I misunderstood. Okay.
I have also verified my lord. How many persons are given my lord?
Yes,
in the
because there's a
petition?
11 years, 12 years. I
My
thought
lord.
these are years.
My-
Okay.
Serial number.
Okay, you are Mr.
S.A.B. Khabir number.
S.A.B. Khabir, the learned counsel for the petition. And also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. It is submitted by Mr. Sharma that the medical report of the victims are not available in the case diary, and that apart, the CD is also not updated one, and the last entry was made on 2/7/2025, though the interim was granted to the petitioner number 19, 20, and 21 on 10/7/2025. In view of this, he prayed to call for the updated case diary. Let the updated case diary be called for, listing it when it can be listed.
My lord, it means my lord 8th August. My lord.
8th of August.
It can be my lord 7th, my lord.
7th?
7th.
7th. Interim, your interim on 19, 20, 21.
21.
Interim, interim order granted to the petition number 19, 20, 21 be extended till next date of listing.
Will return
It is returned back the case diary.
Deeply obliged.
For orders. Item 48.
48.
This is for your IA, for suspension of sentence. I'm not going to here. Why don't you, where is the appeal is also ready?
My lord, in the appeal order, my lord, it was due course, my lord. For final, it was fixed for final hearing in due course, my lord.
Yes.
Appeal, my lord.
So we can hear the purpose, the order. Your Mr.
A Hawari.
A Hawari, the counsel for the petition. Learned counsel for the petition also heard Mr. B. Sharma, the learned additional PP, appearing on behalf of state respondent. Let the IAB take along with the criminal appeal number 199/2024 and list the matter for final hearing.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
You want any date? Tuesday, Thursday, what date is any of?
Any date.
In the month of August.
Fifth.
5th is a Tuesday.
Later, after 15,
both
my
matter
lord.
পড়ে গেছে।
After 15, last part of August. Last part of August.
This is maybe last part.
28 or 26.
26th is a Tuesday.
26.
Is it Tuesday?
My lord, Tuesday and 28.
Monday, don't give on Monday. In hearing day. Huh?
26.
No, 26th is a Tuesday, I think.
August.
26th of August is a Tuesday. 26th of August. For hearing. Otherwise, your petition is behind the bar since when?
Since 18/4/2024, my lord.
18-4. What was the convicted section?
306, my lord, 7 years.
Abatement is
Okay.
Obliging.
And for hearing item 50.
Mr. A. Fukon is there, no?
Yes, yes, Lordship, yes.
Yes.
It's an appeal under section 374 subsection 2, Lordship. Challenging the judgment and sentence dated 29/8/2023, whereby the appellant was convicted for 8 years. He is
The section?
section 4 POCSO, Lordship.
4 POCSO.
4 of POCSO. He is behind the bar for the last almost 2 years, Lordship. The trial court record has already been received. My ground in very short, Lordship, there is a delay in lodging the FIR, which is also admitted by the trial court at page at para 31. And the birth certificate is not proved, though it was exhibited.
Birth certificate.
Not